All right. You just start talking while I figure out while I post it, while I go and do all this crap.
All right, guys. Welcome to another Tacoma Chasers radar live stream. We're live streaming radar because it is late at night. It's very dark outside. And Nathan, you're controlling my screen here. I'm gonna turn you off really quick.
Oh, my
Um,
bad.
um, it's very dark out, but the environment out there is pretty much primed
Oh, crap.
for tornadoes. Except the only thing that I see being a problem is if I take a sounding here, the green line here, this squiggly line on the left side here, represents the dew points, and you can see right here it gets pretty dry about 2.5 kilometers up in the air. That might prevent storms from becoming fully mature, but now there's a lot of cape, that's storm juice. There's a lot of energy out there for the storms to use. And that photograph that was just there, I'll pull it back up again. Um, it's very curved. Okay, that's the line here is showing the wind direction going up in the atmosphere. This is half a kilometer. This is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. It's very curved, and then it gets kind of balled up there. But there's a lot of shear there for these storms to use up. So we have to watch this very closely. They just issued a severe thunderstorm watch until 4 a.m. A couple minutes ago. So that's about 7 hours. Tornado is 20%, but I think personally it'll be a higher percentage. It should be a higher percentage. They also issued a mesoscale discussion at 10:15 p.m. Well, oh, it expires at 10:15 p.m. Sorry, saying that EF1 tornadoes 110 miles per hour are possible with 55 to 70 mile an hour winds and damaging hail between 1 inch and 1 inch, 1.25 inches. Um, Currently, we're watching this storm here that's just north of Kiwani, moving towards Manlius. Walnut, and then going up towards Amboy, eventually Rochelle. These storms are moving northeast, but I would not doubt seeing some storms take a right turn and start moving directly east. There's only a few fully mature storms out there right now. We have a couple. There's a couple of other storm chasers out there that are on this storm. Brandon Kopic being one of them. He did have a brief tornado earlier, so there was no tornado warning, but there was a brief funnel
Oh,
cloud, if not tornado, on that storm.
why can I not hear? Am I? Can you hear? Can
I can hear you, but I
the
don't know
stream
if the
hear me?
stream can.
Oh, okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. I can hear it. I have it on my other screen. Just
Okay.
make sure it's good. All right. Yeah. So Lucas has been talking about obviously severe thunderstorm watch. You have a couple storms that are mature. There's one to the west of Rockford that's severe thunder or Rockford Rochelle that's severe thunderstorm warned currently.
There is an
This is
area of
moving
rotation on it,
east toward the. There is an area of rotation on it. Yeah, I see it right by
directly over Franklin Grove.
Franklin Grove. Oh, there could also be one near Dixon that could be starting to go up too. Um,
This is beginning to take.
this will
It is
this
beginning to stall and take a right turn a little bit as well, so we need to watch that one.
Yeah, the tornado potential might be increasing with this one here. We had severe storms come through the area in the morning.
Earlier this morning,
That
yep.
hindered tornado potential for quite a couple hours. But now obviously it's starting to go, and we may be in. We hopefully are. Hopefully it's not going to be bad, but with the way things are looking right now, the environment's pretty good for storms to go and do all that kind of stuff. We're definitely going to watch this one that's west of Rochelle right now.
Yep.
It is.
There's definitely going to be a few more storms
It is.
maturing. It's very early on into the time frame that this is going to occur. It is late in the evening, yes, but the time frame that this is possible to occur is
Well, the
this
forcing.
evening to late tonight. So
The for. Well, okay. The force. There was supposed to be forcing earlier, but um, that never happened. It's
correct.
happening now.
I would not be surprised to see a couple of more of these
And
storms grow into larger storms like these ones are.
It could become a QLCS threat. Why did I open it here? Tommy's going out.
Oh, he is.
Yeah, if oh, I'm a
Brandon Kopich saying
yeah.
there might be
Okay, so
another
we got
tornado on the ground. This is his dot right here.
oh,
Brandon Kopich saying there might be
nice.
another tornado on the ground. This is probably the area of
Oh, look
circulation
right
that
there.
they're watching
Look right
here.
where.
I don't think it's gonna be this. I think it's cycling back down to here. Look how
Yeah,
far away this is from
yeah.
the
I see
actual
that.
rest of the storm here.
Yep, yep, I got it. Yeah, this is definitely going to be an interesting night. It's been an
Oh wow.
interesting forecast stream all day. The celts to the west.
Yeah, I just got a
Uh,
Brandon Kopich stream is pulled up on my other screen. Lightning flash. There is a big lowering there. Big
that's
funnel
nice.
cloud. Apparently, big funnel cloud on this storm. They should tornado warn this. There's already been one possible brief tornado on this storm already, saying there might be a tornado in progress any second. Watching this area right over here.
We should get Tommy to bring Liam because they're going west. Oh wait, Liam might have work in the morning. I don't know. I don't know if he'll be able to go. But yeah, for sure Tommy's going out. We'll try. Uh, we'll try and get a live shot from him at some point. I told him about it already, Lucas. We're definitely in for several hours of stuff.
Yeah, I
Best way
can't
to
tell.
best way I could put it.
This is a very interesting look in this
What?
storm here. I don't know if this is RFD here. This is the RFD flank, I'm assuming, probably going up into the circulation. Velocity scan is not updated. It is 2 minutes behind the reflectivity scan still. It is now updated. Yeah, this would be this is the new area of rotation right here. So this little reflectivity band here is the RFD coming into that tornado. These storms are going to be moving towards the Chicago metro later tonight.
Do we have a time frame? Probably 2 hours, I'd say. Probably close. It's gonna be 10, 11 o'clock probably with the way they're moving. In my opinion. Yeah, we have
I'd
Tommy
say
going out.
3.
Hopefully he can get something for us. You say 3 hours? Okay, so almost midnight that these storms might be coming in. Low level jets increasing with the storms as they're going up now. And we may be in for several hours of. I'm watching the stream right now. Could I get a look at the cell just to the west? Liam, can you? Wow, Lucas, Lucas, go to the Rochelle storm. Lucas, my gosh, Tommy's watching. He just needs someone. He just needs you to look at radar. Okay, this is actually making me angry. What do you got? What do you got, Lucas? On the
About to get another scan here. Let's see here. I'm gonna switch to
I got it.
ZDR, I believe. Which one? That's yeah. We got ZDR here. I'm just taking a look at this storm here. Wait, hold on. What is he saying?
Is Tommy texting?
We got a tornado on the ground, I guess. There's multiple vortices on it. That's what I heard. Debris circulating in the low levels.
Oh, okay.
We have an unwarned tornado probably on this area, like right here. Area of interest. It actually might be a little further off here.
Probably about 100 miles west of Chicago right now.
Yep, I can measure it out actually.
Jonas says big tornado on Coptic.
Yeah, about 115 miles southwest of Chicago Metro right now, moving towards the Chicago Metro. There is apparently an unwarned tornado on the ground currently, just south of Anawan, Illinois, moving towards Mineral, and then Sheffield. You might be in the path of this if this turns. They just severe warned it. Tornado possible. If this
Where's the warning? Where's
turns
the tornado? Why did they just severe warn it?
if this turns more east, Peru, LaSalle, Hennepin, Princeton, you all are going to be in the path of this storm. This storm up here near Rochelle appears to be moving due east, so it's going to ride I-88 just south of DeKalb, going for St. Charles, northern parts of Aurora towards Wheaton. That's far down the road, though. This is the main threat currently.
Yep.
If we switch over to
this is like we've been saying, this is going to be the start of what could be a pretty long night.
Yeah.
For Chicago, obviously the main threat's still about an hour or two away, but it's still better to be safe than sorry now, because
right.
Obviously we're seeing that we got big tornado going on right now, and that might honestly become the theme of the rest of this night.
That might be reflectivity debris ball. I'm not exactly 100% sure. This is a very low precipitation storm, though.
It's another LP storm. The low jet has kicked in. It by the way looks, and it's only going to increase the tornado potential for the rest of the day. You guys, especially with the fact that it's nighttime now, it's better to have warning tonight. And if I sound like I'm making no sense, it's because I'm trying to get this out to people that we're live right now.
Yeah, you're kind of
so my bad. I'll lock in here.
There.
I'll lock in here in a minute. Just Lucas, you just take over, I guess, until I'm ready.
Yeah. If you know anybody that could possibly in the path of these storms, Princeton, Peru, even up here near Rochelle, DeKalb, tell them to be aware of what is going on, because this could quickly come together and produce a tornado. The environment is primed for it. There already might have been two brief unwarned tornadoes here on this storm that is just west of Princeton and Peru. Getting a new radar scan here. Is
that Tommy?
I don't know. You looked.
Who joined? It is Tommy.
Hello?
There is
yeah, what do you? Yeah,
there's
Tommy.
a somewhat tight couplet here, just south of Anawan. It is trying to ramp up. It appears. The rotation that was over Franklin Grove is still there. It's kind of broad. It's very high precipitation as well, because there is another storm directly to its southwest. So if you're outside trying to see this in the flash of lightning or whatever,
tornado warning.
What?
Okay. Jonas just said PDS.
It did. It went PDS. PDS tornado warning.
There it is.
Anawan, Mineral, Sheffield,
right away.
Going towards Princeton, Peru. It's a PDS tornado warning. That's a 2 out of 3 tornado warning. This is a dangerous situation. You need to seek shelter. Anybody you know in this warning, tell them to seek shelter. Call them. Make sure they're aware of the situation.
All right.
Do I go south?
Tommy, don't worry about going southwest. It's radar indicated PDS. So why is it radar indicated PDS when
it's radar indicated PDS? I mean, Brandon Coppock has seen at least 2 unwarned tornadoes, and I don't believe that this radar signature deserves a radar indicated PDS, but I'm not the National Weather Service, so what do I know?
What do I do with the severe thunderstorm warning?
Tommy, what?
With the Rochelle one?
Tommy, what? How late can you be out, and how far are you willing to go?
Not too far, but
it's on the boundary.
How late can you be out?
probably, dude. I can be out probably till midnight.
Go to Peru.
No.
Like to go toward that storm. Just no, it's
Peru
not
is
too
an
far.
hour away, dude. And the Rochelle storm is high precip. You're not going to see anything. Peru is on the outflow boundary.
They're saying it's sloppy.
Hold on, let me call the
They're
parents.
saying it's sloppy.
Okay.
Just let us know what you got with that.
Brandon says he thinks he has another funnel coming down.
So yeah, I mean, well, hang on a minute. Frank, is it multi vortex or no?
It might have been earlier. Tornado Page's live stream is up here.
So freaking laggy.
Nathan, you're controlling my screen. Nathan.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I'm gonna turn it off for now.
I was just trying to figure out a way to.
I turn it off for now, so you're good.
I was trying to figure out a way. Okay. I was trying to figure out a way to get the quality to not be so laggy because it's kind of lagging for me right now. But I kind of have 500 things connected to my Wi-Fi, so.
All right, so again, we have a PDS, a radar indicated PDS tornado warning, including Anawan, Mineral, Sheffield, Buda. This is all west of Princeton. This storm is likely to continue tracking directly east, which means it'll track directly towards Princeton, LaSalle, Peru, Ottawa, Morris, just right along the
I-80 corridor.
I-80 corridor here. If you know anybody there or in that area, you need to tell them to be aware of what is coming because the environment is primed for a strong tornado to be possible late tonight. And people are going to be sleeping and stuff, and it's going to be hard to get the word out. I do not honestly agree with this radar indicated PDS, but
They said they're all saying it's sloppy right now. It should just be a normal tornado warning.
it should just be a normal tornado warning. It is, yeah, there's no CC on it. ZDR is uptaking though.
Tornado warning continues. Yeah, that's expected.
They shrunk the PDS tornado warning.
I don't think they would.
There's still some rotation in between Ashton and Franklin Grove. This is southwest of Rochelle. High precipitation storm, so it's going to be rain. It's going to be rain wrapped if it does produce a tornado. This is another storm that needs to be watched though as it moves directly east. It appears this will be going towards.
Guys, how south do I go?
Elburn and Sugar Grove.
How far south can you go?
I'm telling you, I would go to Peru.
That I told my mom that I'm probably going just south of Yorkville.
It's like Mendota. You wouldn't get down there.
I said I want to be on an in between. Just in case something happens up here, I'd rather be closer to home. You know what I mean?
Go
I
to
don't know. That north storm is definitely.
Go to Earlville.
They're saying now it's observed.
Go to Earlville. It is observed.
They're saying it's observed, but there's nothing there.
Currently, there is nothing there. Correct. If you go west on 88, Tommy, you're gonna get the north side of that storm. So you should probably go down.
Racing south on 47.
Okay, go to Earlville. Maybe Mendota.
Right.
Probably Earlville though.
And
Yeah, it looks like there might be a new area of circulation trying to intensify over, Nachusa.
I'm trying to look at ZDR, but I don't
Just
think it's
east of Dixon.
There it goes.
There is still a couplet here,
Nope,
just
not ZDR.
southwest or southeast of Anawan, going right towards Mineral.
I'm not going west right now. This wants me to go straight west. Yeah,
Lucas,
super
what
west.
does ZDR look like on the north storm?
On the North Storm. ZDR on the North Storm. Let me switch to this one.
It's starting to look interesting.
Yeah, ZDR looks very good on the North Storm, actually.
I got a question.
Need to watch that very closely. Yes,
Yeah,
Tommy.
go Tommy.
Is Bristol far enough south where if I take a west option in Bristol, I'll be fine?
That's
Yorkville. Just go west on 30. Go to 34 and go west.
Yeah, you'd be fine if you go there and go west. Okay, they
Alright,
downgraded this
Tommy.
to an observed tornado warning and it's no longer PDS.
I got my chocolate covered raisin, and I'm ready to ask for forgiveness if I go too far.
All right.
We're gonna watch both these storms very closely. If they can clean up themselves and clean up around them, they could have quite the
I
environment
mean,
to
I don't
interact
know. In my
with.
opinion, the North Storm definitely has an interesting look to it, in my opinion, and the environment is
Yeah,
there. No
it does
boundaries,
have an interesting look.
anything that could prevent any sort of tornado genesis from happening. It's
Wow.
definitely
Okay, just taking a sounding up here. 455 meters squared per second squared of effective inflow. This photograph is very curved in the low levels. The only thing that I see stopping this is the low level lapse rates. The temperature does not decrease very quickly as you go up into the atmosphere. But
This
the
thing looks
environment,
crazy on radar.
it's somewhat there, so there's still the potential. It looks like the
and remember,
southern
these storms are
storm
just
is
getting going.
probably going to cycle. It has lost its couplet. It's probably going to cycle. I would shift my attention up to the storm that is southwest of Rochelle here because it is starting to try and hook out. There is still a broad area of rotation embedded in the storm, but I do not foresee that doing anything.
That ain't gonna do anything. I mean, it. Look at it. It's all wrapped in rain. Inflow's completely cut off, and now it's just a matter of if it can clear all that inflow out, and then that it's probably gonna. I wonder if that storm behind it, right there over Dixon. I wonder if that's gonna try and merge into it.
Yeah, I don't know.
That thing has
And not
nothing
only
to
do we
stop
have
it, dude.
Huh?
It has nothing to stop it. I think that it's going to take every opportunity it's got.
Yeah.
The
I will say
lightning
once.
to my west is going crazy.
Yeah, there's a lot of lightning on that. Lucas doesn't have radar scope there, but I do,
Let me
and
turn
there's a
on
lot of
lightning.
lightning coming out of the.
Oh yeah,
A lot of lightning coming out of the storm, and it's
a lot of lightning.
sign that the storm's only strengthening from crazy, yeah, whatever. But like I was gonna say before, the tornado and all the other threats are not just the main concern tonight. Flooding is also gonna be a threat. We already had quite a bit of flooding earlier today, especially out in Naperville. We had Ben that had quite a bit of flooding there.
Yep. Ben said they got
So
about almost 3 inches of rain in 35 minutes. And if a lot more of these storms pop up, it could be the same thing happening again later tonight. Heavy rainfall over a long period of time this time.
Yeah, because there's gonna be a lot of back building behind these main round of storms. It's kind of what HO Bar's been forecasting for the past day and a half almost.
So I suspect that they will cancel this tornado warning. I don't see a couplet on it anymore.
What's that thing south of Mineral? What's that? Is that not? Is that the area that
I
it
mean,
was
it would be in this
south of Mineral?
general area, but I don't see anything
Look
currently.
at velocity. Okay. Yeah, but okay. So this definitely look southwest of Ashton. You see that increase in the brighter red, where the hook would be, right by the inflow. You see it?
Over
Northwest of Lee Center. Yeah.
here. Yeah, that's
That might be.
side
But go to
lobe.
Chicago radar. Go to Chicago radar, because why is mine not picking up? Oh, because I'm on the wrong velocity. I'm using storm relative. There it is. Yeah. Yeah, definitely trying to do something.
It's gonna
This
take
storm
a little
southwest
while
of
though.
Rochelle. It's gonna take a while. It needs time. And with the amount of time it has, it's gonna put it close to Sugar Grove and DeKalb and all that. Oh my! Look how tall that storm is up to the north.
So the storm south is actually dying. I suspect that tornado potential will fall off with this storm.
I'm gonna stop and grab a
Tommy.
drink real quick, guys.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I suspect that this storm to the south is gonna die off. I can't tell if it's outflow dominant at all. But the top of the storm has fallen significantly. It was it boomed up there pretty quick, and it was sitting at about, what is this, 51,000 feet, and now it has since fallen down to 40,000 feet. And if it continues to fall, I see this just fully dissipating at some point. And then this
Go
storm
back to North Storm.
up here in the north. Oh wow, yeah. There's both of
Wow,
these storms
that's
up
sixty
here.
thousand. Yeah,
No,
these
60,000.
two
Oh
storms are
yeah,
definitely 60,000 feet. These storms are definitely ones, the west of us, that are gonna be of interest. And with the way it's oriented, it's headed right for me. So I
yeah.
might go out
We
I
actually
might
have
just
to.
go in my backyard.
Yeah, we'll
I
have to
might
watch these
eventually
closely
step
for
away here,
ourselves.
and then we
I
might
mean,
have to
this is
switch
about
to how far out? It's about 50 miles.
yeah, it's about 45 miles from
45,
us.
45 from Sugar Grove. Moving. Can you see how fast? Well, how fast does the
I
warning have it moving?
cannot
Because these
see how fast it is moving.
50 or nope, nope.
That's wind.
Yeah, I know. It's warned for hail. Tommy, if you're there, be careful with the hail.
Do not
Oh, he's muted.
see. He said he's
Right,
grabbing a
active,
drink.
yeah, I know. I got. It should say it in the warning text how fast it's moving, and moving east at 15 miles an hour. So that's why the flooding threat is also a concern for today.
Right. Very slow moving storms.
Because these storms are gonna be slow, and there's gonna be a lot of back building behind it. So it's just gonna be constant rain for pretty much the whole night. And tomorrow we have a chance of rain too. Here a chance of severe weather too. Same thing with Tuesday.
We can actually
So we don't know if we're gonna go out.
take a look.
Huh?
We can take a look at the HRR for tomorrow. Here in a
We
minute.
could, but let's. Oh, you got downtime. I'll keep. All right, you. If you want, I'll watch. I'll watch the radar on my end. And
I
if I
suspect
see
that they
something,
will cancel this warning here. That's west of Princeton. This storm is dying off. But I would put all eyes on this storm up here southwest of Rochelle, moving directly towards us. What 45 divided by 15? How long is that going to take to get here?
3. Wouldn't take
Yo,
3 hours.
hello, I'm back.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, Tommy.
What are we
Hey,
thinking?
they warned this that
Still-
Rochelle.
still-
Hey, listen, the Rochelle storm is warned for 1.25-inch hail, and that's why there's a warning. So be careful with the hail. They report tornado. What time was that at? Hey, Tommy, if you're
8:58.
there, Tommy, if you're there, you might want to get west. Go. Yeah, honestly, he should go west on 30. Or no,
No.
don't go west on 30. Go west.
No.
Go west on 34 so he can get south of it and then work his way back north.
Right.
I'm
He
gonna
also
go
has
to
to.
Earlville still.
Yeah, go
I
to
know, go
Earlville.
Earlville, but get south. Get south, so you're out of the way of the storm. But then you could probably shoot back north. And
Earlville
then,
is
be able
south.
to
You're
get it.
repeating information that you don't need to repeat.
Oh yeah. What is this? What did Jonas
There
just
might be
send?
a couplet trying to form over Franklin Grove on this storm up here north.
Oh boy.
That's actually in the wrong part. Well,
Hey.
actually, there is another one in the right part. Might actually be RFD
Lucas-
wrapping around that we're seeing here. Coming
Lucas,
from
when you get a second, can you see
up
what
here.
what Jonas just sent? Oh my god.
Might be RFD wraparound.
Is this
Might try to
VTT or
produce
is
it a little bit.
Yeah, Tommy.
This is VTP.
I need you guys to, Nathan, you have my Snapchat maps, so
Yeah.
you kind of got to let me know. You can see my location. Just let me know where to
Yeah.
go based on that.
Where are you? Oh, you're south. Okay. So just take 47 to 34. All you got to do is go 34 west by about 30 miles, and then you'll be in Earlville. And then honestly, you may not even have to go that far because the storm might be
All right,
there.
hold on. I'll be
Already
back
to
in
the
like
north.
2 minutes.
All right.
I would say go to some. Okay, I would say, Lucas, before you, if you're still there, oh, it doesn't give me control of the radar. All right, Tommy, I say go to Salmonock or just west. That should be fine. Because Earlville's a little bit too far south to catch up in time if this thing decides to go nuts. I'm looking at my end. I have control. I can see Lucas's screen on mine, but I don't have control over it, so I can't move the radar and zoom in and show the stream. But I will vocalize what I see. Looks like there's some sort of increase in flow on the Franklin Grove storm. Not too sure. It's this one and the one behind it that are definitely ones that need to be watched. The one to the west over Amboy, pretty much following the path of Route 52 from Dixon to Amboy to Mendota. That storm is at 60,000 feet. The Rochelle storm is healthy. It's the only severe warned one. It warned for 1.25-inch hail. It's the only reason why it's warned. But it looks like the tornado potential could be increasing with this storm as time goes on. Coming from both Chicago and Davenport are picking up a little bit of area rotation to the south of Ashton, which is just southwest of Rochelle by about 15 miles.
Salmonaugh's about
Salmonac is
half the distance from Earlville.
just go to Salmonac, because then you can shoot up Route 23.
Okay.
We'll stick with when Lucas gets back. We'll stick with the Chicago radar for the rest of the time. Yeah, Tommy, I definitely think because
We just got to
I
remember
definitely think going into
rain and hail. That's what we got to remember.
yeah. Remember, these storms are slow, so you don't really need to move quick, I guess, because they only warned it for moving for 15 miles an hour storm motion. That is all it's warned for. That's how, I'm sorry, that's how slow it's
Nathan,
moving.
hello?
Yeah.
I lost
Can
you for a
can
good
you hear me?
minute. Yeah, I hear you now.
Oh, okay.
How many people are in the stream?
We got 5. But I'm willing to bet once we get the storms closer and they start going warned and everyone's phone starts going off, they're all gonna start blowing up my phone, which is okay, I guess. I will say that
It's telling me to take 34 all the way to Salmonac.
yeah, because Salmonac is on Route 34. That area is definitely looking interesting now. West Storm might be nudging it, or might be merging with it. We'll see what happens out of that. If this one to the east, tornado warning continues to the south. The tornado warning storm that we were talking about a little bit ago is that tornado warning storm is still continuing. They continued until 9:45. Storm motion is quite slow with these today. Just all around in general. I forgot I can't move that. But the area of interest is just not there. Chicago radar is not really picking much up, but then again, it's closer to DVN. So yeah,
Bro, I
I
almost
don't know
said,
why.
why are there 8-year-old, like 12-year-old kids out on mini bikes right now? Come on, what are we doing? All for it, but like no headlights, no brake lights, anything?
Jeez,
These kids are gonna get hurt.
I don't know why they could. I don't know why they continue that tornado warning to the south. The storm is dead. Unless they're trying to give off one
Yo,
last hurrah,
those are
but
sick. Just get some headlights, bro. Oh shit, he does have one. He just don't use it.
silly. Who's this? I don't know who that is. There's somebody under the area of rotation to the west. I will say that
He said, "F you mean I got one," and then he proceeds to just turn it on.
that's funny. $half sized hail. For reference, that is 50 cents.
Why are there so many kids out on bikes, bro? There's people our age just riding bikes.
All right, I'm back.
Where? Lucas, look at the tornado warning storm for a second. Why is it still warned? Because they re-updated the warning again.
I need to cancel it.
Where's
it's
the
just
rotation?
dying. This area is trying to ramp up.
Yep, I pointed that out before. Not there, to the south, on the south end.
Looking good. It's gonna be hidden by everything to the west.
Right. It's actually kind of separating.
The stuff to the west.
Well, you got to worry about the stuff overnight by Dixon crashing into it as well, though, too.
Yeah, it might merge and then just.
It's kind of out of place right now. It's still developing that mesocyclone.
Yeah. Obviously, it is almost 9:30. It's trying to get that look.
It is trying. Gotta give it time, and it will happen.
Looks quite interesting right now, but I love the fact that people are shocked that the storm's fired. And
I would
everyone's just
really love if my
questioning.
Ned rig would stop rattling right now. Cost of having a fishing pole in your car, bro. $15 minutes out from Salmonon.
Yeah, Lucas, I told him to go to Salmona because it's probably a better spot because then he could just go straight north on Route 23 all the way toward DeKalb. It's about halfway between Yorkville.
Okay, yeah. See it.
I told him go west of Salmonock.
Is there anyone on the North Storm?
Not that we know, like
Yeah, there's a random
no
dude.
big names, but no big names. But I'm willing to bet that everybody's gonna start to go north.
Probably.
Oh crap! Yeah, that storm is just dead. It died off quick.
Which one?
Yeah.
The one, the
The one
tornado
that
one
was
one.
south.
TDS?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just died.
What happened?
I don't know. Got destroyed by something.
Maybe not enough moisture over there.
I don't know. That definitely trying.
They just issued a new tornado warning here just south of Peru,
Hennepin.
Hennepin and Grainville. There was weak
Granville.
rotation on it.
Oh, I see it.
Um,
I see where it's at. Yep, there it is. Go to Lincoln radar. Lincoln might be. Yeah, nah. Oh, yeah.
Scan time is less
Yeah,
on that one too.
DVN.
Let me guess, that's high
What do you
precip too?
No, not necessarily, but the rotation is very weak on it.
Now, this is a sign of what could happen. This
Right.
is a very small cell that just got going, and it's already tornado warned. This is
Lots of
southwest of
wind shear.
LaSalle, headed for LaSalle.
Lots of
There's
wind
a
shear.
lot of shear. The low-level jet is kicking in.
That's an hour and
And
15 minutes away.
You're not making
Yeah.
that.
You're not making that, but we're just saying that it's a sign of how much shear it could be. The storm just got going, and it's already tornado warned. Do you want to read?
Why in the world? Where am I? What town am I in right now?
Either Plano or Sandwich.
I'm somewhere in their county or their city building has a replication of Fat Man in front of it.
Okay. You're in Plano.
Yeah, I'm in Plano. They have the nuke. What? Anyways.
Yeah, this is that thing trying to come together in Franklin Grove? The whole velocity just really disoriented. So I'm on Chicago radar. Never mind.
I feel like I still need to get farther south.
Well, yeah. 34 goes southwest, so.
Yeah, you'll
I'm
probably
going
be
straight
fine.
I'm going straight west on 34.
You're gonna go south.
No. Listen, 34 is a southwest-oriented road. When you go into Plano, you're going like west-northwest, but then it's eventually going to turn to the south. So you're fine. You're gonna get south of it. You're gonna get south of the main area, I should say.
Oh, hey Nathan, guess where I'm at?
Plano.
I'm at Rule King though.
Oh, duh! I forgot that was there.
Lightning's ramping up.
There is a lot of lightning with
Yeah,
that
yeah.
storm.
I know. Look at the. It's got a good presentation of reflectivity, but the velocity is
Oh,
not lining up yet.
it's getting a mesocyclone. It's working on it.
Yeah.
It actually does have a weak mesocyclone aloft. It's just not on the
Yeah.
ground yet.
It's
It's gonna try here though,
yeah,
and
Tommy.
soon.
It's gonna try soon. Yeah. So Tommy, go to
Ah, it's stuck.
west of Salmonok. Tommy,
Yep.
go west of Salmonok. Go north on Route 23. Because you might, by the time you get there, you probably could even get away with going a little bit more west of that. Even almost toward.
Just
Actually,
drive west
with
for
where
now.
you're at.
Stop, Nathan.
Yeah.
Stop trying to give them directions ahead of time because it's gonna change so quick.
Well, yeah. I also realize that it's slow. It's moving way slower than I originally thought. So
Right, it's
he can
15
honestly
miles
get
an
away
hour.
with almost. He can honestly get away with almost going I-39, and the storm will still be west of it. But now the two cells are merging together. So we'd like to see what will happen with this. It'll probably kill off the tornado potential on the leading storm
Yeah, that
and
other
bring
storm
it
probably
toward the
become
back.
dominant.
It's about to start raining in Elburn. There's a little bit of a little cell that's going up straight west, southwest of Maple Park and Caneville. But the main threat is still to the west by about 25, 30, 40 miles. And that's the area of concern for now. It could try. I wonder if velocities are ramping up because the other storm is trying to barge right into it. And who's that blasting south on 39? I don't know who that is. Some random. Anyway, yeah, so this definitely is starting to look rather interesting. West of 39, and it is for those of you that are watching that know us and all that. From our area, that is about. Why is it not working? From our area, that is about. Lucas, can you get can you measure how far the the main part of the storm is from us?
Yeah.
Or at least from like Sugar Grove or whatever.
Lucas,
What? 40 miles.
in the garage and get that tote with sleeping bags and stuff and bring that down here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ooh, I should plug this in. But yeah, okay. So
Hello, hello.
Hello.
yeah,
All right. Getting a little drizzle here.
yeah, you're gonna get a little bit of that. For but the main storm's still here north.
There's a McDonald's play place. I want to go play in the play place.
What? Why?
Cause play place over Chase.
Yeah, okay.
I'm in my PJ pants.
Hey, Lucas, look south of Shabona.
Where is that?
Shabanaw.
Sha-
Don't
Sha-
ever say
Sha- what's-
Shabona again.
North of Earlville. Zoom in right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That. Hey, there might be the developing rotation
Yeah. Just
Uh,
south of Chabonneau.
just a little bit to your northwest, Tommy.
That is.
By about
What radar are you on?
Taylor.
Who joined?
Developing
It's been-
rotation. What, inside that hook?
No, do you see? Okay, southwest of Waterman.
Oh, I see it.
What do you
Zooming
think,
on it again?
Tommy? Go back. Go back
Zooming
to it.
in. Zooming in.
Are you guys seeing the rotation in Ashton right now?
Yeah, I see
Oh,
it.
yeah, we're watching that too. Oh,
That
boy.
should be a tornado warrant here in a minute. That's a tight couplet that it has there. It's getting nudged
No,
by
it's-
that other
Yeah,
It doesn't look.
cell that's
It
going
doesn't
up.
look organized. Yeah, listen, it doesn't look organized yet, but it's going to be.
What do you mean it
Nathan,
doesn't
check
look
my
organized?
location.
It's a
Tell me how
couplet.
far that is from me.
Which one? The Ashton rotation?
I'll be
Yeah,
back in a
whichever
second.
one you guys just pointed
Nathan,
out.
I'm gonna let you control it.
Tommy, are you in your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tommy's out. Tommy's out right now.
Oh, he is?
All right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna chase
Okay.
then too, because I'm also.
Who just joined?
All right. If you guys can get, huh?
Who just joined?
Quentin.
Q.
He said he's going out too, since he has his car. Okay. So Tommy, you are there's no way to measure distance from on Snap Map, which is kind of annoying. That's why I kind of we're gonna figure out a way to get you the spotter dot. Um, you're probably 30 miles southeast of oh, just keep doing the wrong mouse. 30 miles southeast of where the rotation would be. Or yeah, southeast.
If
Yeah,
that
30
starts,
miles.
if that starts getting together, you want me to go north?
Yeah. Possible TDS on northern cell. Go just get west and go north on 23, and then just take some country road to go west. Because Jonas says there might be a TDS on this storm right now.
Mm-hmm.
Tornado warning Anawan. That is south. Okay, they continue tornado warning to the south. I don't know why. Okay. Is there going to be a tornado? Oh, it's Matthew Sharp. Oh, hi, Matthew Sharp. Is there going to be a tornado? Well, we're watching this storm to the west of Rochelle or south of Rochelle now, headed for Sugar Grove. So the tornado potential is increasing as the night goes on. So possibly. But we gotta figure out what we're doing with Tommy here. Okay.
I still go to what's it called, right?
Go 23. Yeah, go to 23 and go north.
What? Just give me a town name.
It's west of Salmonock, right before the town of Leland.
All right, I'm just gonna stop at Salmonock fast.
Okay.
Safer.
I just realized is the stream blurry? Like the actual stream or is it just me?
By the way, 34. Yeah, 34, bro. This is not southwest. This is just straight west the entire time.
I would actually watch that previously PDS tornado warning storm. It has a hook on it again.
This is not the same storm.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Wait, Tommy,
All
where
right,
are
later.
you?
I don't
Oh, no,
really
I
know
got
what
blurry
town.
there for a second.
Oh wait, you're right.
just
This is not the same storm. That is
No,
my
I told
fault.
you it's a new one.
There is a new storm though. Anawan, southwest of
You're in Sandwich.
Anawan. Yet again, you're under a tornado warning with this new developing cell that just popped up here. Still in tornado warning
Hey.
here over Hennepin. Not a whole lot of rotation on it, but you're still a tornado warning, so
That just shows
stay
you
in
how
your
much
safe
shear there is.
place.
Hey, go south of Ashton. Jonas says there's a possible TDS on the northern cell.
Me
I-
go south of Ashton?
You know, that's what I said. You know, that there's probably going to
rotation.
produce soon, and somebody said that it was still not organized.
I don't see it. Actually, yes, I do. I kind of see what he's talking about.
Kind of. I wouldn't
like,
call that
yeah,
a
I mean,
TDS though yet.
I wouldn't call it. Yeah, I wouldn't call it. Yeah, but I understand what he's trying to see.
Right.
But yeah, hey Tommy, don't worry about if you can just put in your phone to go to Shabana or however.
Matthew Sharp is in the chat. Hello, Matthew Sharp.
I know I saw. I already responded.
I'm 2 minutes from Salmonock right now. I'm not changing anything until I get to Salmonock.
I know,
Nathan,
but wait,
stop
yeah,
trying to
when you get a
dictate
second,
where he's going, bro. Just chill
No,
out.
I know. No, he was asking how to get to that storm anyway.
Well, I'm getting to Salmonock and then I'm doing an evaluation.
Okay, that's fine. I'd like to see. Is there anybody?
There
that's on
might
the
be
north
another
side?
area of rotation developing near Amboy. I do know there is a
Amboy?
campsite over here. So I don't know exactly where.
That's it's not a campsite. It's a camper. It's
A campground.
a camp. No, it's like a camper living area. Like people live there.
Oh well, there's
Trailer
also
park?
a campsite.
Trailer
there, too.
No,
park.
it's
Trailer
weird.
park.
It's like mobile home. No, it's like
That's what a trailer park is.
no, they live in campers. It's just
Oh.
I'm just gonna pull over here real quick.
There's no reason this light needed to turn red. There's no cars. What?
It's timed.
Getting a new radar scan
All right.
currently.
It is so humid. It is so humid.
I know. Dude, it's horrible. Dude, turn green. There's no cars.
Where are you, Quinn? Oh boy.
I'm I'm heading towards Sugar Grove right now. I was in Aurora. I was dropping off the hills.
Is your location on Quinn, so I can see where you're going to?
I'm about to be in Sugar Grove. I'm on
I thought
I'm gonna mute for a second.
Hey, we're live, you idiot.
sorry, frick. What's the road that's going from Aurora to Sugar Grove?
There's like 5 of them. Galena?
Probably, yeah. Probably like West Galena or something.
Okay. Rotation definitely looks like it's starting to pick up south of Ashton. Amboy might be doing the same thing. Ashton, that cell is going to be rain wrapped.
All right, I'm stopping at the gas station in the middle of town here at Savinock.
So far, right now, we only got 2 tornado warnings. Anawan and Granville and Hennepin, but I don't know why the Hennepin one's warned. Lucas, go to Amboy for a second on K-Lot.
Rochelle. Holy shit! Is the Rochelle show? I'm on 56.
No, I'm more.
56.
I'm more interested in Amboy. Amboy one kind of has a hook on reflectivity almost. It needs to clear
it's
that
at
inflow.
Amboy and it's going straight east. Everybody in Sugar Grove better be ready.
It's
Everybody's
track on this wants to go east northeast.
Okay.
East northeast, but that's going to bring it even more into Sugar. No, it'll just miss it to the north, but you never know. If the storm could turn right and then that crap. I still got the severe warning.
What
for
do I do here? Do I just go to Earlville
I would say
or Leland?
yes. Where's Leland? Leland is Amboy cell is gonna drop according to Jonas. Go to Earlville.
Yeah, Amboy is definitely gonna drop big time. Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
Hook is fairly semi-discreet according to Jonas. Yeah. Lucas, zoom in on Amboy for a second, just so we can see what we're talking about. Because that thing is, yeah, Amboy looks like it's starting to tighten up. It's discreet. It needs to clear that inflow. It's getting some interactions with that cell from behind, and if it decides to do something, it's going to put down a tornado. And Tommy is about, I want to say,
I'm a good ways away.
Yeah, you're a good ways away, but you're headed that way right now.
New severe thunderstorm warning, including Amboy, Sublet, West Brooklyn, Compton,
30 miles.
Paw. This goes.
Oh my gosh! Holy lightning!
Hey,
I can
Tommy, if you can
Oh,
go
this
to
also includes Nachisa,
What,
Ashton,
Nathan?
Stewart.
go in the direction of Sublet. So, okay. Here's what I'll say. Go to Earlville and go a little bit to the north. Yeah, look at that.
All right.
Yep, I think Amboy's going to get warned here in a little bit. I think it's going to. The northern cell is broadly rotating still, but I think that's going to eventually get overtaken by this merging cell here. And this southern one will become the dominant one. This severe thunderstorm warnings for 60-mile-per-hour winds and 1-inch hail. It goes for an hour and 3 minutes, so till 10:45 p.m. We still have these 2 tornado warnings. One here just southwest of Peru. Broad rotation, very weak. No immediate dangerous threat, but I just would keep your eye on it. There's another warning near Anawan. Same situation. Just keep your eye on it. I would really watch
Tommy,
these
go.
2 storms up near Rochelle.
Not gonna lie, the rain here ain't too bad. It's just we need more lightning.
All right, I
Jonas
officially
says
got
northern.
to go.
Hey,
I officially got the go-to to chase. So
we
I
have
guess we're
Tommy and Quentin out separately, but both of you just get west and try and meet the
I'm-
storm as close as you can to Amboy, or in the direction of Amboy, I should say. Quentin, turn your snap location on, so I can help you.
It is on.
So I know exactly where you're at. I don't
It
see
is
it.
on.
I don't see it.
Here,
Oh,
let me
there.
check.
Wait, nope. Oh no, it is on. I see it now.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Are my parents in the stream?
I have no idea.
I'm at the Jewel in Sugar Grove right now.
Get I don't want to send him down 30 because 30 is too far north. Okay, Quinn, go 47 to 34. So go to Yorkville, southwest.
Where's 34?
Yorkville.
Just north of
It's
Yorkville.
like Plano and Sandwich and all that crap.
Damn, that's far.
Guys, if I turn my camera on, do I have to stay on Discord
What do you mean?
on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, I believe so. Otherwise,
no.
it gets low quality.
No. Wow. Lucas,
Alright.
is there a way to make a thing like just an impromptu
Tornado
thing?
Pagey has a funnel cloud.
Whoa! I'm getting insane CGs.
Yeah.
Tommy, Lucas, where?
Nothing
Where's
like
it?
earlier.
I'm currently about to find out. Give me a second here.
So if you're just not tuning in, tornado potential increasing near the town of Amboy, which is straight west of Sugar Grove. This is going to stay south of 88 for the time being. Northern rotation near south of Ashton is going to be more hail oriented. Northern, then the southern one near Amboy is going to be the one that's going to produce a tornado if it decides to go. Go, Lucas.
There is funnel cloud on the tornado warning storm that is southwest of Anawan, moving towards Mineral and Sheffield. Sound like a broken record
Sorry
repeating
about the
myself
distance,
because that just
Mom.
happened about 20 minutes ago. These northern storms here, their mesocyclones are broad, but they're ripping. So I wouldn't be
You don't need
surprised
to
if
worry
we
about
see
northern
it
one.
morning here.
Northern one doesn't need to be watched as much as the southern one.
I'm
Southern one in
looking at
Amboy
both of
is
them.
about to do it. No, northern one's more hail. Is going to be more hail.
Guys, look at
hail based.
Atkinson.
Atkinson. That's south. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We got to watch this one
Alright.
because this is the one that's headed for our area.
We got to worry about all of these, bro.
That's true. Yeah.
We're doing a coverage.
Lightning to my north is going. Wow, wild.
Yeah. You want to know why it's going nuts? Because the couplet's intensifying over Amboy right now. Headed right for the time being, the couplet near Amboy should stay south of Route 30. For the time being, it should stay south of Route 30, and then eventually, if it decides to cross north and it tries to occlude, it's going to stay south of I-88 when it parallels DeKalb to the south. So take an east-west line of I-88 south of DeKalb, east-west line. It should stay south of that for the time being. Go, Lucas.
I don't have anything to say.
Guys, what are the dew points? What's the spread?
Yeah, can
Low.
can you do sounding, Lucas?
Yeah, let me pull a
It's the low
sounding here real
spread.
quick. I'm taking sounding near Earlville. I'll read off the information here. Sounding is 79 over 74. Slightly dry EML between 900 and 700 millibars. Lots of low level of curvature though. 225 effective inflow. 32 on the surface cape. 83 cape. Very good environment overall. LCLs are fairly low. 322 meters. The lapse rates aren't exactly the best, but they can be worked with. Needs to be watched.
Tornado warning news for Atkinson and Anawan again. This is the second warning they've had today.
Yep.
First one was a tornado on the a confirmed tornado on the ground. Say this current one is not on the ground confirmed yet, but we were told Lucas said tornado PG. Another live storm chaser had a.
What is
funnel
going
cloud.
on with
And
that Amboy cell?
It's ramping up. It's about to produce a tornado.
Nathan, you're lagging a little bit.
I know, but it looks so
I am.
weird on reflex.
It's rain wrapped. That's why. And there's a cell that's merging with it. There's a cell in the inflow.
Okay.
What did Jonas just send? What in the world did he? What?
Nathan, you said 38, right?
Holograph. Sorry,
No,
holograph,
not 38.
You said take
34.
47 to. Huh?
47 to 34.
Okay.
Yeah, don't go.
You're
don't
going
go north.
south, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, I'm
you're
going
Okay.
down to
I
Yorkville.
hope you're going. Oh, phew. Okay, good.
Take 34. Take 34 from Yorkville.
Might be a little bit contaminated there. There we go.
Okay.
Photographs look amazing in northern Illinois right now,
Yep.
according to what Mesos analysis look like. Amboy cell rotation has come down a little bit, or the strength of it is coming down a little bit. It doesn't look as defined as it did a minute ago, but it's also going through a cell interaction right now. The inflow is being blocked by. Yeah, I saw that too, Lucas. There's a cell that was going up to its south that is in blocking the inflow for the Amboy storm. But once it clears it, it should be pretty much ready to go to produce a tornado.
Oh,
Tornado on the ground north of Kiwani. That is a big tornado. What in the world?
I have Tornado Pages stream pulled up here. I can open it again.
Jonas
On the
says
stream.
Amboy might be on the ground too. Just so you know. Yeah. What? What?
This is Tornado
This is
Pages
Tornado
stream
Pages.
from Weatherfront.
Velocity spike on Amboy.
That might be
yeah,
bad.
Ashton's
hard
gonna
to see
go big
anything.
time.
Not Ashton. Not Ashton.
Ashton
Amboy.
is not going to produce.
If it goes on Amboy, that might be bad.
It's gonna. It might do it east of town, but it might also try to be cycling, because it looks like there might be another area.
If you know anybody in these areas, please let them know. The situation can deteriorate
Oh,
rapidly.
tornado warning, Amboy. Tornado warning, Amboy. There it goes.
Okay, Amboy just went
Tornado warning,
tornado
Amboy.
warned. We have a tornado warning straight to our west. Lee Center, Amboy, West Brooklyn, Compton. You're all in this tornado warning. It's moving towards
West of
I-39.
I-39.
Yep. It's going to be rain wrapped, hard to see.
West
Can't.
39,
You are
heavy-
not going to be able
heavy-
to see this tornado.
There's gonna be a lot of hail in it, Tommy. Just so you know, Tommy and Quentin actually.
I ain't getting close enough.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
rain.
Let's
Okay,
hope this one
well-
stays LP so you could see it from miles away. Yeah, this is the first Chicagoland tornado warning of the night, and hopefully, and the way things are looking, this ain't gonna be last. So yeah, tornado warning, Amboy. This goes until I just saw it. Tornado warning till 10:30.
10:30.
Radar
It's
indicated
radar
rotation right
indicated.
now. Rotation's definitely picking up.
Anybody on it?
This was right about the velocity.
Nobody is on it.
Like just random. No big people.
Okay.
It is heavy rain wraps though.
It's fun.
Heavily rain ramp, but it's there. But these are the most dangerous type of tornadoes. Nighttime rain wrapped.
Charleston.
Yeah, but Charleston was at nighttime.
Yeah. It's fine. I got you guys.
You got us to watch, and it would be way easier if we could have figured out how to get the. I'm not on any. Amboy and Ashton are probably on the ground, according to Tyler.
It does not appear likely
I
that
see, okay.
Ashton is on the ground. This
I don't
very
think
messy.
Ashton is. Amboy might be.
Check CC.
Yeah. Can we check CC? Actually, I can do it.
I just looked at CC briefly. There's nothing there.
Nothing.
I think I
ZDR's
passed
not-
a chaser a second ago. This truck just got back on the road, and he's heading the same direction.
Oh,
Yeah, Quinn. I don't know. There's no dot over there, so I don't know. Tommy, I say, yeah, like I said, once you get to Earlville, go just a tad bit north.
okay. I'm gonna sit here just south of Sugar Grove. I'm gonna wait for it to see if it ramps up a little bit.
Quentin,
I don't
if
wanna
you
It's
need
going.
to
It's
get-
ramping up right now. Just get west.
I know, but
Yeah.
I can't. I don't want to go too far.
Okay.
If you need to go somewhere in a case of emergency, just go to my house.
Thank you.
Yeah, Tommy, go once you go to Earlville, go north. I know there's a lot of roads to the north, and they're open, all just country roads and all that kind of crap. So you should be able to have a good view of it to the west if you go a little bit north. But you still got time. Actually, are you in Earlville now, or are you close?
I'm 4 minutes out.
Okay. So if you can, just honestly, now you should just find a north road to go, just a little bit, and just be ready. You're gonna get some rain coming through, but it's nothing you should be worried about. But once again, tornado warning for Amboy, Lee Center, West Brooklyn, and Compton until 10:30. It's a radar indicated rotation with velocity picking up. Once it clears this inflow, um, there is a cell to the Lucas. He's in Florida. There is a cell that is trying to either nudge or merge with the current tornado warning storm. And once it clears that inflow, once the storm gets fully engulfed into the main storm, and the Amboy storm will most likely start to produce tornadoes. The environment tonight looks pretty good for tornadoes, and this is the worst time of the day that could happen. At night, these storms are it's gonna be hard to see, and there's gonna be a lot of rain before they come. They might still end up being rain ramp. P-Watts are 2.1 now. Hey, yeah, Tommy, go.
I cannot understand him.
Tommy, you're in bad cell surface area.
Sit here.
Hey, the rotation at Amboy. Zoom in on Amboy. It's spiked up again. Just east of town, straight east of town, Amboy.
CC on it.
Is there?
Possible tornado on the ground.
Yeah, possible. I wouldn't say.
You wouldn't say, bro. What do you mean you wouldn't say? Look at this.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Whoa, that's a stop sign. Hello. Okay.
Ben just woke up.
Okay, my camera's facing me.
Lucas, so anyway, if we can somehow get a downtime, we need to set up a way to get a camera shot of them for them.
Right. I don't think that's necessary. It's heavy rain wrapped and it's dark. I don't think they're gonna see anything.
But...
This fucking balls.
Hey.
Freaking nuts. It's going nuts.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, Ashton rotation is gone. Amboy is the main area of concern now.
Yep.
Like I said, this should stay south. This looks like it is taking straight east. This, for the time being, should stay south of Route 30. And if it continues on this track, it's still about 45 miles to the west. But if it continues on this track, Sugar Grove is in the direct line of fire if you live south of Route 30.
Incorrect.
That is Yorkville.
It's
Yorkville.
traveling towards Yorkville.
Oh, it is traveling towards Yorkville? Okay. Well, you never know. It could start occluding back to the north.
Right,
But I just want to throw that out there. So basically anywhere between, so it should stay between Route 30 and Route 34 for the time being. Once it gets east of 47, it will start to go south of 34 as 34 turns off to the north. But this is definitely the cell merger in the back is definitely helping with tornado genesis right now. What is Jonas doing? Look at what Jonas is doing.
I know, I see that.
Yeah, wow, Lucas, you see how the cell is pretty much in the inflow now. Once it clears it, it's going.
It's gonna produce probably. Tommy's
Who the
driving his car
Who's
hard.
Oh, is it the Tommy that's doing that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up?
We can hear you accelerating.
You guys? I'm not even like accelerating.
No, we can. Well,
I'm
either
doing,
way, we can just hear it. Surge of inflow on the storm on the backside. This is probably going to be a strong tornado according to Jonas.
You heard me.
This rotation, it should stay north of Compton. Yeah, there it is. It's picking up. Look, it's
This scan is 2 minutes old. Should be getting a new one here.
I got a new one. I got it already.
Okay,
so-
well, frick you then.
Oh, that's not nice. See, I kind of want to get the green screen. I kind of want to get the green screen out, but that's just a pain, and we didn't have time. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're obviously we don't have Marcus with us. We can't really do the radar, where I stand in front of and point, and all that. And frankly, my Wi-Fi is just not the greatest for it, so we're not even gonna worry about it.
It's currently raining here in Elburn, Lily Lake.
Yeah,
Possible.
right north of Melbourne, north.
There's a cell trying to go up here. There's a new warning southwest of Williamsville, or Williamsfield, sorry. Southeast of Galesburg. There is
Yeah, that looks
rotation on
pretty
this one. This will be more
Again.
moving towards Princeville,
Stay north of Peoria.
northwest of Peoria. Eventually, Jesus, how do I even say that name? I don't know.
Fuck.
Chile,
Hopewell, and then the town.
yeah,
that's to the south.
Hopewell, and then yeah, and the general direction of Washburn, which actually had a, what was that, EF2 or EF3 tornado on June 11th, EF3 tornado on June 11th.
But then again, this should be a sign of how good the shear is today or tonight.
Right.
Every cell that has gone up recently, at least south of I-80, has been tornado warned. Almost every cell.
Yep. We have
every
3
cell that could
tornado
get
warnings
dominated.
currently ongoing. Nothing is currently producing an imminent tornado, it appears.
The closest one that is the Amboy storm, and that is
Yep.
the Chicagoland storm. And it's clearing the inflow. That stuff that's going into sublet and south. If you see where the
gonna
inflow
clear
here,
out.
give me
It's
control
been
of the screen for a
clearing.
second so I can explain. Give me control of the screen for a
Alright.
second so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so all of this is the inflow right here. This area needs to clear out. Here's the hook coming around right there. This needs.
Hey,
this
I'm
is where
gonna
the tornado
sit here at Earlville for a while.
Okay, let it cross 39 and then get on it. Unless
Exactly what I was
it-
thinking.
it's confirmed that there's a tornado on the ground. Just stay east of 39. Anyway,
Yeah.
the hook coming around here. Obviously, we'll use this. The rotation's here east of Amboy, but all of this area here needs to clear out for the inflow to go crazy. Anyway, how do I get rid of it? Oh, there we go. Okay. Anyway.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
All right, 1 second. I'll be back.
What in the world
Oh.
just happened?
I don't know. That's not good.
It tried doxing me.
All right, new scan. New scan's picking up some blue in the inflow.
You're
I'm way too
scanning
far.
at me.
What's the
Way
white
too
line?
far east to
Well,
even do anything. I can't even chase this.
Well, you can once it gets closer. Unless you want to go
Well, yeah.
west.
I can't. I'm way too
You
far.
can or can't?
I can't. With the T, like a T.
I don't even want to know what that means.
This is the most robust storm that is currently ongoing. Best potential long
Yeah, it is
term.
a giant storm. Look at this.
54,000 feet in a
55,000
broad
feet.
area.
I saw 55,000.
Oh yeah, 55.
Broad area 55. It was at 60 earlier, but it doesn't really matter at that point. It's just a giant supercell.
It's maintaining itself now.
Amboy is if it hasn't gone before, Amboy is about to go. It is just. Tyler says Amboy's on the ground.
There's absolutely zero shot that thing is not on the ground.
It is on the ground. But Tyler says it's on the ground. Oh, that's the wrong radar. Yeah, inflow's cleared. I can see the hook now. I can see the hook. Inflow, all that cell is getting pulled in. Yeah, see, look at it. It's definitely coming around.
How far is that?
Yeah, what do we got? Ooh.
I'm still at 9:58 scan. 4 minutes behind.
All right, guys. Looks like I'm going to Sublet.
Subway?
Sublet.
Oh.
Yeah, that hook's coming around.
I might pull over and pee fast though.
Oh yeah, tight area rotation.
Oh,
Kyle
that has to be on the ground.
Kyle Zebel
That's definitely-
is inside of this rotation.
I've never seen inflow like that on.
This might I actually wouldn't doubt this being the tail cloud, the RFD. Coming
yeah,
on
that's
the
true.
storm here.
No, but it might have got trained into it.
No, I don't think this is the other cell. Look how it's been maintaining.
Oh, real? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a tornado on the ground in Amboy.
That's not good.
Yeah, look how strong it is. Look at it. Going velocity right now. Tommy,
Yeah, I know it's bad.
It's bad. Bad.
That's real bad.
Holy crap. Lightning storm.
yeah, lightning's picking up, but
Oh, how do I get on?
yeah, that is a strong tornado. Strong tornado in Amboy. Tyler says go on I-39 and go north if you can. You might need
That's
you might
gonna
need
be
to go
long.
north.
That's definitely
Go
a long
to-
track.
He can't go north.
That's gonna be a pretty strong tornado for a while. Tommy, go to 39 and go north.
Nathan, why are you telling him to go
that's-
north? He'd
You guys
cold
right now,
punch.
I'm
Tyler
working
said
my way to
39 go north.
Sublet.
Unless you want to go north now and get ready. Is that a debris ball on radar? On
No,
reflectivity?
no,
No, it's just
no.
in the area of it.
CC is not there.
CC's not there yet. Go on that. Tyler says go on that road that runs north of Mendota. So Route 251. So okay, Tommy, if you want to take 34 into Mendota, go to Route 251, and then go north. Because 251 that'll bring you straight, pretty much toward it. It's moving slow enough to where you should be able to get it.
Should I just go to
Get on the
Amboy
backside.
now? Like set my directions for Amboy?
Put in directions for Compton, but don't go to Compton because that's where the tornado's going.
Yeah.
It's easily a sig tor on the ground right now.
Should I just set my things for Amboy?
Well, no. Go to Compton.
Sublet.
Go to no.
I'm going to Sublet.
Actually,
I'm going
yeah.
to Sublet.
Go to Sublet, and then once you get on the storm, just deal with it. Inflow's clearing out.
Being solo, I'm taking the safest option.
Yeah, that's fine. Inflow's clearing. Yep. This is going to be a big time storm and big time tornado if it's not already on the ground.
It's definitely
Everybody
on the
should
ground.
go.
Sugar Grove better if you're Sugar
Be
Grove better
ready.
start to get ready because this is going to be a.
It's going south of Sugar Grove.
It's going south of Sugar Grove. Okay. Well, you never know. I mean, the storm could easily turn to the north. There's power flashes apparently. What is that warning? A new tornado warning south.
New tornado
Wow,
going
that is a
south.
strong trouble.
Oh yeah, right here. Ohio, La Mole.
Moyle,
Oh god.
Laval.
Okay, big
Look at that.
puddle.
That is a
Going
small
towards
storm. This is just
Mendota.
southwest of
Very
Amboy.
very small storm. I don't see a whole lot of rotation on radar.
There's twins.
Guys,
There's
this
twin
is-
tornadoes, I
this is-
think, on the ground.
Wait, what?
There's twins on the
This is
ground.
really unsafe
There's
for
twin
me.
rotations right now. Look at it.
Oh wow, yeah, there might actually be twins on the ground. Just
might be
southwest,
twins on the
southeast of
ground.
Amboy.
Are you kidding? Wow. Okay.
This is really unsafe for me. I'm not going to Sublet.
You'd still be fine going
Yeah.
to Sublet.
Go.
No,
Hey,
stay south.
it's
Stay
a
south of
cycle. Okay,
Subway.
it's a cycle. It's a cycle, but this is what it's going to do for the rest of the day. This is going to cycle like crazy. There's probably 2 tornadoes on the ground. There's one for sure.
Oh,
I need to know where they are. Tommy is west of Earlville.
I'm getting back in Earlville. This is getting unsafe.
Tommy,
These
let the
two
rain
storms-
pass and get on the back. Follow it.
These-
Don't get ahead of it. Just don't
Yeah,
get in the storm.
Well, no, that warning to the south is tracking right for Sublet. I'm not going to Sublet.
It's not tracking towards Sublet. It's about to go past it.
Well, they need to issue a new warning. No, he's talking about the southern couplet.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
just- he just says it's too close. They need to issue another warning unless that's. Actually, they might need to.
Well, it's just north of Sublette, is it not?
It's north, but it's close. Compton is in trouble.
Yep. If you know anybody in
Hey,
Compton or Paw Paw, let them know about this situation. Tell them to get in their safe place now.
Tommy,
Yeah.
go to 39.
I gotta. Wait. No.
All right, do that quick and then go to 39. Because if you want to see this tornado, the best chance of it, let it. But wait, don't go fast on 30. Don't blast north on 39. Just take it slow. Let it get to 39, and then follow
No,
it, because then you'll see it from
it's
the
fine.
backside.
I think I'm gonna hang out here in Earlville. It's just a little too stressful, at least right now. Matter of fact, it's just stressful because I gotta pee so bad.
Then use the bathroom.
Well, I gotta find somewhere I
Would
can.
not doubt there being twins on the ground currently.
Yeah.
Alright, Hugh, where are you at?
I'm heading back up to. Wait.
Okay.
Hold on.
Inflow's clearing again. Yeah, there are
If I had
twins
known
on the ground.
If I had known Tommy was chasing, I would have, maybe.
Well,
hopped in
this
his
was kind of a
car.
last minute thing, so.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy, that one north in Amboy is strong.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you're just now tuning in, 2 possible tornadoes on the ground, west of I-39, east of Amboy, headed for the Sugar Grove area. Should miss to the south though. For the time being, this storm should stay. Is that PDS? Why is it flashing?
It's not PDS. It's just observed now.
Okay. Okay, so there is a confirmed tornado on the ground west of Compton. This is about 40-ish miles to the west of Sugar Grove. This should, for the time being, stay south of Route 30. For the time being, this should stay south of Route 30.
I don't foresee the
but-
tornadic part of the storm going towards Sugar Grove unless it occludes heavy to the north. But I think by the time it gets around to the area, it's going to be too far south to the point where even if it occludes north, it's not going to reach Sugar Grove. But the top parts of the top parts of the storm, where there is heavy precipitation and possibly some hail, that will definitely be impacting Sugar Grove.
Tommy's still here?
Yeah.
They. Hang on, I need to look at a map, because Tommy, I know it might be stressful, but listen, your best chance of seeing a tornado.
There might be some broad rotation directly south of LaSalle. Very broad though, very weak.
That was already warned earlier.
Why is there? Wait, what the hell? I'm going north, and there's lightning to my east.
Yeah, because there's a cell
What is
to
going on?
the north of Elburn.
Oh, there is. Oh.
Hey, Tommy.
What's up, bud?
This is going to be a cyclic storm. Oh, here's the problem with going on 39. Don't go to 39. I don't care what they say in the chat. Because the next exit,
I'm just gonna work my way home.
That's fine.
I honestly would agree with that. It's very dark and he's so low, and this is high precip.
No,
I wouldn't even
listen.
risk it.
This is why I don't want him going to 39. Now that I'm looking at a map, the next exit to get off at 39 is right in the path of these storms.
I'm working my way home, big dog.
I would
That's
agree.
fine.
Quinn, are you
Listen,
going back home too?
Listen,
Yeah, I'm already in Elburn.
Okay.
but Tommy, are you gonna wait till across to the highway at least, or are you just going back?
I was thinking game plan go to Sandwich.
Sandwich, yeah, that should be fine. I mean, unless you wanted to cross the highway and then go north, then you could do that too. But if you want to go to Sandwich, that should be good, because then you'll be a little bit more to the north. What do you say?
Dude, I'm just gonna pull over real quick. I'm calm.
Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Where's Sandwich?
West of Yorkville.
Oh.
Oh.
Lucas, now that I see this, He needs to wait in Earlville.
No. Why?
He would have been fine going past 39. He just needed to take whatever road
251.
this is north.
251. Well, listen. Let that rain pass, and then let him get in like the inflow area. But obviously, it's still gonna be like 10 miles to the north. But like get in that back, like on the back side of that.
I don't know. I kind of just
North
want
side.
him to go home, honestly.
There's a TDS on it. North one.
North one. All right, I'm looking.
I'm just racing home.
Yeah, Tommy,
I
I would
would-
just say go home because by the time that storm gets there, if you don't feel comfortable and you want to go home, you'd have to core punch or you'd have to wait for it to
Yeah,
go
that's
past.
fine.
So I would just say,
yeah, if you do it.
I do not
Jonas has
see.
it.
I do not see
Jonas
a.
had his updated. His is
Oh,
more
yeah, his is up.
recent.
Yeah, his. I think my CC on Weatherfront is lower quality than your guys's too.
Yeah, we're still watching that
Yeah,
one.
I'm chilling, guys. I'm fine.
Currently have 4 tornado warnings going on. We still have one going towards
Ignore the
Williamsfield.
Anawan one.
Broad rotation. The Anawan one is about to expire. 1 minute left. There's no threat with that one. We have the other one near Ohio, Lamali, Arlington, going towards Mendota. Weak rotation on that storm. It's a very small storm as well. And then you have the main threat here, which is this Amboy
that-
storm.
Notice Amboy's occluding. So I want to say I just want to put this out there now. It's better to say it than not. That is occluding. These cells are cyclic. They occlude to the north when they want to die. The storm, for the time being, looks like it's moving straight east, maybe a little bit to the east-southeast. That's fine. Either way, the storm, the tornadoes, if it stays assigned to stay cyclic for 40 more miles, there could be a tornado going into Sugar Grove. It's not, obviously, we can't for sure say that, but with the way the cyclic storms work and the way the storm is positioned, that Amboy storm, the tornado, original rotation is rocketing to the north right now, and there's a new area going up near Sublet. So that's the nature of these storms. They're going to be cyclic for the rest of the night. And honestly, every single one of these storms, every single one of these main storms that has taken advantage of the atmosphere and all of that. Oh, you turned me down good because I am talking loud. um, every main storm that has taken advantage of the environment today has been tornado warned at some point. So we can't take any chances with this. It is moving closer to our area where we know where a lot of our viewer base is. So I would say just be ready. It's about to cross into DeKalb County. It'll be about 30. It's about 35, 40 miles to the west right now. Sugar Grove. Yeah, what do you got? There's a lot more people on that. There's a lot more dots on that storm now too.
I think it's currently
Honestly,
trying to cycle.
I think I should be able to beat this storm home. Don't you guys think?
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Yeah, it's moving 15. Should be fine.
I'm doing almost 70, so
Yeah, you'll be fine.
I just want to get home with time. That's all I want.
Jonas says bottom. the cycle is about to go.
Yep.
might-
It's
hopefully let's-
cycling
let's-
currently. Might
let's
be
just hope it-
getting twins here in a minute. Because
Again.
this other rotation still seems pretty strong.
Yeah, I wonder.
One sec, guys. I'll be back.
Can we, Lucas? Can you loop the radar? See if it failed the occlusion.
I don't believe it
That's been going for
has.
quite-
It's still been going north.
Yeah, look at it. It's moving to the northeast, isn't it?
No,
Yeah.
it's occluding still.
So, or it's either occluding now or it's like failing.
I don't know. It's still very tight. It's still moving
moving
up
closer,
that
right?
way.
It's
Though.
moving
There
closer
is
about
also
3
a flash flood warning for this area as
That's right.
well.
Well, yeah, because the storm's barely been moving. I bet you there's gonna be a lot more downstream. Wow. Well, warm nose, but come on. I don't know what's going on here, but my
Nathan, can you hear Axis stream?
I can, yeah. But can the stream hear it?
I don't know. If you can hear it, the stream probably can hear it. Let me adjust
It's
just the
fixed anyway,
sound.
okay. Cycle gonna put down a monster near Compton, according to Jonas. I hope. Kayla, someone got pictures or videos of something. Let me see if I can find it. Tornado in progress, West Brooklyn, as of 8 minutes ago.
Yep.
Trying to watch this video. I'm looking at Twitter.
I don't
now.
know what Ryan, Joel, and Ken and Colton are doing
Oh,
up here in the
God,
northern
giant fire flash.
suburbs.
This tornado had a giant fire flash on it.
Oh, really? They were
Yeah,
down. They
Kyle-
were
that
down
Kyle
here
Zeeble-
earlier. Now they're just all the way up here for
The
some
Kyle
reason.
Zeeble guy got it.
Oh, that guy that's over
Jeez.
here.
Yeah, he got it.
It's from Kyle Zeeble.
There you go. This is what I was just watching.
Big time
big fire
tree
flash.
damage here. Oh, of course, gotta
Are you
sign it.
kidding?
Oh,
Oh,
hold on, I can
Try
rewind
again.
it.
why is there
Maybe.
second? Oh, I didn't even look at the second video.
Oh, frick. There we go.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of trees and branches and stuff.
Big
you
time
go.
power flash. Yep.
Is that the funnel? Like right over the road? Do you see it?
Let me replay it again.
Pause it right before it stops.
I can't pause it.
Oh, you can't. Do you see it, or is that just
No.
smoke?
I think it's just smoke.
Okay. I'm gonna look here. I'm gonna look at it my end, see if it's. No, I see rising motion on the left side of it. I don't know. It's hard to tell, but he's close. This guy's close,
Oh yeah.
or it was close.
He's up inside of the storm now. He's in the high precip area.
Yeah. But see. Okay, so the storm looks jagged right now, but it's just trying to cycle. That's it. That's all it's trying to do.
Right.
And the cycle will be a little bit more to the south of where it was before. Because it was see that east-west road, Lucas, that goes out of Amboy.
Yeah.
It's about where the original rotation was.
Yeah.
Now the new one is south.
It is still
of by
occluding. It is weakening
Yeah, it's
off.
occluding. Yep,
This
that is
new
the occlusion
area, the
process
new
right there on
new
the graph.
hook is developing right here. You got the inflow. The other rotations up here. It's been moving off to the northeast. It's gonna include most likely, and then we'll have to watch this area down here as the new hook redevelops.
Yeah, that's only the first cycle of the day, pretty much, and that was a pretty strong. That was already pretty strong for its first tornado. But that's just the environment that these storms are in.
Right.
Also, let's go down to let's just work down the line. That storm might be interesting right there.
Yeah, this storm currently impacting Ottawa. It's not severe warned or anything, but it looks like it could be organizing. You know, a couple of cells merging together here. maybe even
I
some
think so too.
broad rotation over Utissa right now. This
Utah.
storm is heading towards Ottawa, Marseilles, Morris, Saratoga, that general direction up towards Joliet. Need to keep an eye on that
Now
storm
let me say
for the longer
let me
term.
say something real quick. I believe if I'm remembering correctly, that Ottawa storm or that Utica storm, it was originally tornado warned out by Hennepin about half hour ago. Yeah,
You are
it was.
correct. Yep. They just issued a new tornado warning down here. Um,
Oh boy.
very messy.
Uh,
Um,
go use ILX. See if that's any better.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. There it is.
It's a little bit higher up. This is probably the meso scan because it's kind of, I think it's a little bit further away. Actually, it's about the same
It's not.
distance.
It's like in a
Um,
little bit of a hole.
wall cloud report at 10:21, 2 minutes ago.
My east.
Yep, that's the storm we were just talking about, the Utissa storm. Just reported a weak wall cloud on it from some storm traces over here. Would not be surprised to see a intensification of this storm as these two cells merge together, and then tornado warning down the road, going towards Ottawa, Nettle Creek, Saratoga. This new tornado warning down here that's just southwest of Wyoming. It is rotating in the upper levels. These are very small storms down here, but cannot rule out the possible tornado with those. We still have this tornado warning up here near Lamali, if that's how you say it, going towards Mendota. Very, very weak rotation. No imminent threat currently. And then, of course, you have your storm up here near
Look at that.
Amboy.
Tornado warning.
Wow.
There you
Okay.
go.
This is a giant tornado warning. They
Well,
warned
no,
it for
because
the
they're
including
warning
tornado
both areas
warning
now.
and or the including tornado warning. Or oh my god, never mind. Big tornado
Okay, I'll say
warning.
it. The occluding tornado, the original one that was in Amboy that was pretty strong. That's occluding to the north. They warned that. That's why the box is quite large. The one Lucas just circled, that's moving off to the north. It's going to keep going and
And
die
then
off.
also this
The new area of rotation.
new area of rotation that's going directly east.
Yeah, you could already see the hook coming around reflectivity right over West Brooklyn,
Yep.
right near Compton.
These tops have not gone down at all.
They're actually
58,000
going
feet.
up.
Yep.
58,
Couple storms down here. 43.
40,000.
43. This is about a 10-minute old scan though. Should be getting a new scan here in a few minutes for the echo tops. It is about to start raining in the burn again.
And another one trying to go up near Lee Center. You see that? I mean, it's got good info.
Possibly.
Yeah, this is again. This is just how this night's gonna be.
Apparently there's
Every
a
single
storm
one of
out
these.
here in Colorado.
What?
Oh,
Oh,
lots
wow.
of hail
That's
with
just
this
that's radar.
storm.
That's hail contamination
Yep.
on velocity.
Well, wait a minute.
No, where's radar coming out of? Goodland.
Goodland.
I mean, yeah, it's oriented right, but no,
I wouldn't
that is
rule
messy.
it out. Yeah, it's messy.
I wouldn't rule it out, but it's
though.
messy. Yeah, I'm not really putting my bet on that.
What in the world is?
Cheyenne Wells. What is that?
Oh, that's a dying
Oh.
storm. What is that?
Still, why is the warning so big for how small the thing
Well,
was?
and why is it like?
Oh, it's moving west.
Look at it like kind of spin there. That's so weird.
Oh, it's moving east. Oh, yeah. Kind of had like a hurricane. Actually,
Yeah.
kind of still does.
Yeah, it kind of had
That's
like
cool.
That's kind of weird. Interesting little storm.
All right, let's go
there.
back to Illinois.
Yeah.
We got how many tornado warnings? 5 currently. Well, 4.
Four
don't really
currently. No, five.
Well, no, you got 5, but I mean,
Technically 5.
technically 5, but in
What's it
reality,
looking like?
4.
Very messy currently.
Very messy, but it's going through a cycle right now. New hook coming on near West Brooklyn.
Where's it headed?
Straight east. East-southeast. Toward
Sugar?
Pawpaw. No.
Oh God. No,
original
dude, if it's going towards Pawpaw, it's going towards Sugar Grove.
That is not
It's moving
true.
east-southeast.
Pawpaw is
Was
south of Sugar
was it-
Grove.
Hold on.
Hook's coming around again.
Hook is trying to wrap around.
Dude, I gotta pee so bad. I don't want to just like stop and pee because it's. I have 24 minutes till I'm home. All right, I guess we bark, guys. I guess we bark. Just gonna haul butt on the way home. Are we still streaming?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be going for a while.
Okay. Nathan, look at where I'm at right now.
Hang on. Where are you? Oh, you're in Sandwich? Where's the Almanac? North Peoria is going to put down something according to Jonas, so let's watch that one for a second here.
Oh, yeah. Possibly. Brandon Kopic is on this storm. Let me switch over to his stream here.
13. Ah.
Dude, all the clouds out here are moving straight into the storm, like hauling too.
That's the low level. That you do realize that's the low level jet screaming.
Yeah. Like the low level jet is doing like it's like 60 knots, bro.
I don't even know how fast it's moving right now.
So Brandon Kopic's on this storm here, north of Peoria. There's 2 tornado warnings down here, but this one further north definitely looks a little better of the 2. Amboy's looking kind of messy right now. I'm not sure exactly what it's doing. It's trying to cycle.
It's cycling.
Ottawa should be warned. There's a couplet, or there's not a couplet, but rotation on it now. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
No, I think it's out of
My
place.
keyboard. My
It's definitely out of place. Never mind. Oh, there is one up here too. Should be just a general warning on that.
severe warning. Yeah. Well, you can't tell if it really has a lot of hail or not. Okay, so what is going on here? Okay.
There's
this
like
won't do
3
that.
areas of rotation coming towards me.
Nah, I wouldn't say that.
Oh shoot, that's the wrong thing.
Wait a minute. What? Why
Yeah,
my
look at
keyboards
it.
aren't working?
It's just coming right up there, you know.
Well, I don't think those are couplets.
No. I'm just messing.
536. There it is. My keyboard on my main computer's.
I wonder if this kind of is trying to do a Washburn thing where it's so LP that the radar cannot pick up the velocities.
Possibly.
So,
Or it's just about to get going again.
LP?
Yeah, it's a very small area that is LP. It would be visible
storm?
though.
The big one.
It just went LP?
It's trying. It's like a little hole of LP. You'd be able to see it if it's on the ground, but you'd have to be somewhat close to it.
I mean, maybe if it was like 5 hours earlier.
Yeah. Hail's picking up in Compton.
Oh,
Yep.
that's great. At least I'm getting a pretty lightning show. Show it's a decent structure, honestly. Nothing my phone could pick up, but like, it actually looks good. am I?
Uh,
Storm's currently trying to cycle still.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot happening currently. Couple of areas rotation down near Peoria, northwest of it. Tommy's revving up his car again.
Hey, bro, I'm just trying to get home.
you got plenty of time. The storm's moving slow.
I don't care. I want to get home. If I have to, I got to get cats and everything ready.
Oh, it's true.
Plus, I got to pee so bad. I'm pinching it off so hard.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, stream. I don't care. The stream can hear it.
Oh boy. So, okay, I just read this as of 19 minutes ago. The environment across northern Illinois is capable of producing storms with tornadoes tonight. It is better than it was expected to be. So, that's a sign for what could possibly come.
Yep. Kind of unsure
Still
with the
for
current
tornado warning.
storm mode though. A lot of these storms look pretty messy.
The big storm.
Oh wow! Look at this photograph. The
Listen,
only
the big
I
storm
see
right now.
a warm nose though. That kind of would prevent anything significant.
Where'd you take this out of? Where was that?
Right out ahead here.
Oh, okay. What was I gonna say? Again, the main threat should be south of 88. No, so if you're like Elburn, DeKalb, Rochelle, obviously Rochelle is it's to the south and there's no way. So Rochelle's in the clear, but like those towns, you get my point. South of 88 should be perfectly fine. Or I'm north of 88. South of 88 is a whole different story.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what are you thinking about, bro?
Oh, I'm freaking tired. That Ottawa storm. If we could talk about the Ottawa storm for a second, that storm might do the same thing that the Amboy storm did earlier.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it could. Blah.
Still a strong mesocyclone going towards Papa.
Wow, man, I love staring right into your brights, bro. This is amazing. I love this. I'm just seeing Jesus. Thank you. God. Wow, it goes from a 55 to a 35. Let's go 90.
Max is talking about how he's scared of little protrusions on storms now because of Washburn.
I don't blame him.
Yeah.
When was Washburn? I don't remember this.
June 11th.
IPAVA day.
Oh yeah.
He said he thinks it
That was
it
the
was in
first.
May, but he doesn't remember.
That was the first storm
Yep.
of that day.
Very first one that we looked at, and Tyler said it looked weird, so he went with what Tyler said. And guess what? EF3.
And then that went on to produce Streeter and all that crap.
Yep. If we had just decided to give that one a chance and not get so wrapped up in the tornado warned one that was way further south, could have seen like 4 tornadoes that day.
True, but you live and you learn.
Oh, that's clean air contamination.
Yeah, that is not a.
I was
tornado.
about to flip out, but I was like, no, that's clean air contamination. Yeah, that's
It's
all
starting
clean
to
air.
reorganize. You can tell it's
It
starting to
is.
reorganize.
It
You
is
can-
trying to reorganize. Yes.
like between the West Brooklyn and Compton labels, there's
If this includes North, is it gonna go for Sugar Grove?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't think it will. Now that I think about it, it's producing a lot of hail.
It is
But I'm willing to bet, or at least it has 60 dBz. But there's hail. It's most likely because there's a hail threat for today too. What's it called? I'm willing to bet the hail is going to decrease once tornado genesis goes up again. Noticed that. I've kind of noticed that some storms like to do that too. Let's see. Should I look at the warnings myself? Lamoille, I'm just reading them off. Lamoille, that storm. The rotation is weird.
Yes.
It's according to the radar, it's oriented correctly, but why is it? It's on the north end, and that makes no sense. Yeah, even Ben is saying that this is going to be cyclic for quite a while.
Wow.
Wow.
Great spelled Grate. Environment south of I-80, which would be for all the storms coming out of Peoria.
It's about the same. Looks like North and South I-80.
Yeah, okay, I see that. LMAO just to say that. What is that one? Oh yeah,
Ottawa.
yep.
By the way, Nathan,
Yeah.
I can confirm that before a lightning strike, power lines sizzle like crazy.
Really?
Yeah. It sounds like, the humming of a microwave?
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like.
And how do you know this?
Interesting.
Because I had a lightning strike no more than 400 yards from me today.
Interesting.
My stepdad was sitting with me, and we're sitting there, and it strikes, and you can hear the power line start humming, and then it strikes, and the hair on my arm stood up.
That'll happen.
But it was so
Hey.
close, you could feel the impact of the ground through the ground.
Lucas is looking at Pivotal right now. This is how inaccurate. If once he when he goes back to the end of the model run, go back to the beginning of it, Lucas.
Hold on.
When you get a second. I know.
Ooh.
Oh jeez. Oh wow. Look at the P watts. 2.26.
This is 3 p.m. 4 Eastern time. Storm going
What
up.
time was all
This is
this
for
supposed
tomorrow,
to
by the way.
fire?
Well, we got some downtime right now currently because
Yeah.
there's nothing significant going on yet.
I'll go back to 18Z to show what it was showing for this evening. It is currently 10:43, so I will go to 11 o'clock. This is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I mean,
Yeah.
it's fairly accurate. It is not perfect,
Not-
which is expected.
Not perfect, but yeah.
But it
ARRR
really
struggles with summertime events anyway.
well, and I really struggled with what happened this morning as well. This is what it looked like the 7 o'clock run this morning, and there ended up being storms way further down than this too. It was a large line that, and then also developed and kept going all the way into Ohio, which this model run actually did have happening. Just much more messy and different. But
Even Zerozy didn't have this currently. Also, I want to say that.
yeah, it did.
Oh, it did.
Yeah,
Okay.
look at it.
Well, that's at like midnight.
That was actually
I
at,
want to say.
this is actually 11 o'clock.
Oh, it is 11 o'clock. Oh, okay. Oh, then it is, okay. Then it is pretty good. Doing pretty good. All right, that's good. All right. I want to say radar right now. Tornado presentation on the main storm we've been watching for quite a while. It's become messy. There's a lot of stuff just in this general area. Severe thunderstorm warning has just been dropped for their current storm. The one coming out of Amboy that had, why is this wind report here? Thunderstorm wind damage, probably tornado. Tree branches down near Shaw Road and Inlet Road, possible tornado time estimated by radar. Okay. Oh. See what Jonas just sent?
Yep.
I'm gonna read it. So, from Bob Wazak, who reports about all the storms and whatever. If storms could mature, we could see a mini tornado outbreak across northern Illinois tonight. Dangerous nocturnal event unfolding. I think that Pawpaw, the Amboy storm, I think it's gonna try. It's gonna try again. And you notice that. Well, hang on.
I don't.
You
There's
notice
still
it
a
shed
strong
quite.
mesocyclone.
It's got a strong mesocyclone, so I mean it could try. You notice how much it shed off its forward flank.
No,
Go back quite a bit.
it's just getting slammed. It's over convecting right now. If we want to see tornadoes, it's over convecting this area. The mature storms are getting slammed by other storms, and it's not helping. But now these storms out here, broad
Now we gotta
rotation
start
on
watching that.
this.
What's that Byron one?
K-Lot's the only one picking up some rotation on it. But there's another line of storms, these that are behind the current one here. This environment up here is pretty much untapped because the environment down here is getting all used up. That's why there's no storms down here.
Streeter. Go to Streeter. Tornado one in Peoria, but Streeter might be doing something. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh boy.
Wow.
Oh my. Leonore.
La, 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 la.
No, I actually don't know how to pronounce that name. Streeter, northwest of
Leonard.
Streeter. That's probably about to be a tornado right there. But go to Peoria. There's a tornado warning there.
New tornado warning. Peoria, Kickapoo.
This is
Springfield.
Peoria proper. Oh boy. That could be
Um,
trouble.
Couple of different things going on here.
Well, no rain in Sugar Grove.
Yeah. I know that is that Streeter storm. That is probably about to go tornado warning. And look at it. There's nothing behind it.
Right.
It is at the tail end of that cluster. There, it has all the info in the world, and that could be doing something here in a little
Outflow
bit.
has proven
So
more important than inflow, though. I don't really care for the look of this pawpaw storm. There is still some
it
broad
looks very
rotation on it,
messy.
but it is very messy. There's a lot
It's
of
broad.
convection around it.
Yeah,
I
I'm
do
more of a
not.
bet.
I wouldn't
We need to
rule
watch.
out a long-term tornado threat with this storm still, but as of right now, the tornado threat is low, but it is striking off to the east. The thing I'm more worried about is this Streeter cell that's going up here. It's pretty isolated here on the
Jonas has
tail
done
end.
a big tornado.
And then
It's in a prime environment.
I'm
I
also
want you watch the
watching.
Byron storm too.
Right. I'm also watching this storm up here in Byron because this environment up here to the north is completely
All right,
untapped.
guys, I'll join back in a second.
All right, because there's been no storms up here to use up this environment, so this Byron cell just has all of that environment to use up, and that'd be going.
What's that stuff? Hang on.
What?
What's it? Where did that stuff from Elgin fire from?
This was that
What-
just random rain that popped up over here, and it's just kind of grown.
Oh, it was. Oh,
It's
okay.
broadly
Okay.
rotating.
Oh, Elgin. Oh.
Broadly rotating over Elgin. New radar scan
No,
actually
that's
is trying to
that
tighten
picked up.
up.
Look at that.
Yeah. So
Oh man.
rotation over Elgin right now.
Downtown Elgin, or yeah, near I-90.
Yep.
Near I-90, crossing the
Hold on, let me
Fox
text
River
my
at Route
aunt because
31.
she lives up there. She's probably
Oh boy.
asleep though.
We gotta watch. Okay, we got a lot of storms we gotta still watch. We got one up by Streeter, down by Streeter, I should say. Got another cell that could be trying to do something out by Byron, south of Rockford. Elgin might be starting to rotate now here too. And then obviously, like we said, it could start northwest of Streeter, I should say, could put down a hopefully not, but it's in a prime environment to put down a pretty big tornado. For the time being, this one will stay south of I-80 as well. I think is it moving straight? Did it turn? It turned right, I think.
Which one?
Streeter. Oh no, never mind. No.
Oh wow.
I
This
thought it was
is
moving right.
this needs to be tornado warned. There is
There it is.
strong.
Yeah, that needs. Why is that not tornado warned?
I don't know. Strong rotation on over Lenore right now.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's
I
probably
would
a
agree with
tornado.
max velocity. I would fully support a tornado warning here. It's going to
This
be
should
coming
stay
out here
north
any
of
minute.
Streeter.
Yep. Gonna say north
This
of
is
Streeter.
It will come pretty close if it decides to turn to the right. Hopefully not. It'll slice the gap between Grand Ridge and Streeter. And so it is a straight
Or
east. Is it a
going
straight
towards
east motion,
Ransom.
right?
Just it would probably go
Why
north
did
of Dwight, towards Gardner, south of Braidwood, towards the northern
Kankakee.
part of Kankakee.
Okay.
Yep.
So
Max velocity
and
has
then we
also.
got Elgin.
Yep.
This
Max
is a little bit
velocity has
worrying right here.
also recognized the broad rotation over Elgin.
Oh boy. Who's that in Sugar Grove? See that?
Cannon
Who's that?
Colton.
Oh, interesting. He's on 56. I bet she's trying to blast south.
Yeah. He was like way up here. I don't know what Ryan Scholl's doing. Dude's just like in his own world. I don't know.
So how many tornado warnings? Okay, tornado warning for the Amboy storm. The original Amboy storm is gone.
Correct. I would agree with that.
There is still a very broad. I mean,
It's very
what do you
messy
think,
in the
right on
low
I-39?
levels, but the mesocyclone is still somewhat prominent aloft.
It's
but
just not.
it's not
there's just
exactly
no
very
indication that a
organized,
tornado.
and it's being slammed by some rain from the south. So I would
Well,
say
hang
the
on
tornado
hang on a
threat
minute.
with that is low for now. What do you mean? Hang on a minute.
You see that? There's like another cell right there near Earlville. I wonder if it's going to try and go into the inflow and try and produce again.
It would
You
be a
see what I'm
while
talking about?
before that, though.
It would be a while, and it would be closer to us, but you never know. I mean, it could do it in
Right.
the long run. It couldn't. It may not. We never know. But anyway, we got
Still
this
have
down near
storm.
Peoria as well.
Wow, strong rotation on this storm, going straight towards Peoria.
Jonas says North Illinois is done tornado-wise.
I would have to disagree.
Go pulse sounding like over Elburn or something.
I mean, besides this warm nose, I would have to disagree. But anywhere we go, there's gonna be a warm nose now, because the surface temps are cooling.
Yeah.
Strong rotation here. Going towards Peoria. Need to keep an eye on that one.
It's going,
Going back
directly
up here to
towards Peoria.
Streeter. Kind of blowing itself apart. It looks a little weird now, but it's still something to keep a very close eye on.
It probably was a brief tornado, if we're being honest, because that rotation looks strong.
Yeah. I would say this complex up here is mostly going to be some wind, with some possibly embedded rotation.
And
I
flooding.
would say the threat is low currently because of how messy it is. If it can organize more and clear up some areas, I would say that there is still a tornado threat with that. This Byron storm, just looks like some rain for now. There is possibly a little bit of rotation up here, but nothing to be too concerned about currently. Going back to the Elgin storm, rotation is picking up. There is actually inflow. You can see it on velocity here.
Yep, there it is.
The destructive severe thunderstorm warning in Phoenix.
What the heck? Okay.
Rotation's trying to pick up. I would like to see a tornado warning in this going in like this general
I'd
direction
say within the next
here.
within the next few minutes there's gonna be a tornado warning in Elgin,
Yep.
going toward Arlington Heights.
Yeah. Streeter, I'd say we hold off on the warning for now. It looks very weird. Quickly touching base on this. This is a crazy storm currently going on here.
I bet you it's a monsoon.
80-mile-an-hour winds, and if I go back through the radar loop, look how quickly this forms. It is just like instant. Boom. All the outflow
boundary?
there. Yeah. It just forms off the outflow boundary and just explodes. And it is like, I don't know what time it is here. I think they're an hour behind.
Why does Jonas say Streeter needs a warning? Also, their new MCD.
I don't know what
Mexico
time it is
discussion,
here in Arizona, but it's 102
2 hours
degrees
by.
here. Like
8:55.
8:55 and it's 102 degrees there. Who would want to live there,
New
honestly?
Mexico discussion. Jonas thinks that there should be a tornado warning in Streeter. It's so messy, but I kind of see where he's talking about.
Yeah, but I wouldn't go for it yet. I would be more worried. This is about to expire. There's nothing to continue this for.
So in reality, just 2
Peoria,
tornado
you
warnings,
have to be
possibly more.
prepared still because this is coming straight for you still. Where is Brandon Kovic's up there? Still going straight for Peoria, so I need you guys to stay on high alert. Everything else
How's
up
the big
here
complex
though.
doing? What's that near Earlville? Is it just too messy for me to tell? Or too blurry?
It's messy.
Zoom in.
Elgin, still some rotation there.
Yep. It's got the bean look to it already.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of had it for a couple minutes. Jonas says it's trying to do some anticyclonic stuff, but once that dies and reconnects, it's going to be a big time producer. Has a new MCD shown up here?
It has not shown up
okay.
yet.
Hang on. It has the warm front on it.
Wait, what?
Let me get the picture on. It has the warm front. Crap. I need to get the picture in the server just so you could pull it up on the stream so you can see what I'm talking about. Warm front currently is draped just north of 88. Let me get it into the server just so we can pull it up because I don't see it on here.
Max Velocity thinks that Streeter is a high confidence problem going on here.
High confidence problem? What? I've never heard that wording before. There, it's in the server.
Oh, I see.
Warm front is basically paralleling I-88 all the way to Chicago.
Yep.
So, and that's why the main thread is south of 88.
Here's the photograph here. That's why all these storms up here are having no success with becoming tornadic or anything. But if some of these storms firing out here west of 39 can latch onto it, we would have some bigger problems. That warm front, I'll draw
Is
the
there
warm front
anything? Is there
here.
any?
It's
Streeter's trying
right
to
about
cycle in his
here.
butt.
It's right about where the
Yeah,
warm
that's right.
front is. Kind of hard to see the white line with all this stuff going on here, but nothing currently that's close to latching onto it.
Elgin might be trying. Elgin, the way that looks, did that pick up in intensity?
No.
No. Okay. Jonas is really adamant about Streeter. I kind of see what he's talking about. I definitely kind of see the anticyclonic thing he's talking about. But yeah,
Yeah.
it is trying to do something anticyclonic. But once that dies, it's ready to go. Hopefully, it waits till it passes town. I mean, it's headed for a town of Ransom too. So still, tornado warning continues for Peoria. Is that observed?
No. It's very broad
No?
right
Okay.
now still. There's a wall cloud
Okay, so it
report.
probably died.
Funnel cloud halfway to the ground, 20 seconds since lifted. Large bowl lowering. 10:54. It is now 10:59. Going back up here to Streeter. Still a little
That's
messy.
gonna.
Needs to clean it up. Some.
Jonas is right. If that thing can go, if that thing can get rid of its anticyclonic thing,
Yeah.
that could be pretty significant. Yeah, there it is. There it goes. There's an inflow surge. You see it?
I'm needing a new
RFD
scan.
surging south. RFD surging south, and there's inflow going in pretty strongly. So
Very weak rotation up
it
in
should
Elgin still.
very weak up in Elgin. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, it's north of the boundary, but I mean, it probably has a lot of shear. There's probably so much shear up there that, that's why it's spinning.
Right.
And then the original complex is just rain.
Yeah. Just a big cluster of rain. This warning's about to expire.
The warning has expired. So
Nothing disappeared
only
yet. We're down to one warning.
Down to one warning. However, there's still a couple areas of rotation, especially that one in Streeter.
Right.
And possibly Elgin too. I'll watch it. I got Elgin on my screen right now, but
Elgin's very weak.
It's very weak, but it's there. There you go. There's the new MCD. Yeah, this might be a big cycle. And this is about where we were on the 4th of July, Lucas. As far west as we went.
Yep.
We were at Grand Ridge.
Yeah. Grand Ridge, and then we went up to Ottawa, and then went back west or east. Went all the way east, actually. Other side of Kankakee, and then south.
All the way to all the way to Wasetka.
Yeah, we went like kind of went south here, and then we got down like here, and then went west.
Yeah, you see how it's surging there?
North, back shot, bang, 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 and then like all the way down to there. It's kind of what we did.
You see how it's coming around now?
Yeah.
The anticyclonic part is gone, pretty much. It's about to be gone. Elgin, I'm thinking Elgin is still trying. It's a very LP storm, but the couplet to me is like it's maintaining itself.
It's maintaining, but I doubt it will actually do anything.
Yeah.
Environment isn't exactly right up there.
No, but I mean, you got the low-level jet that could help it easily. Where's this?
Yeah, it's very cool there. A lot of shear, but it's very cool.
Yeah. A lot of shear. That's why it's spinning.
It would have a very hard time getting to the ground.
And it's got something going into the inflow too, so it's probably gonna kill it.
LCLs are at 97 meters. What?
Jeez.
Rotation is a little bit weaker on that storm going towards Peoria. Kind of messy with Streeter as well.
that could be a significant tornado producer with the way that storm looks. It just looks like it has significant potential to it. Let's just hope it doesn't happen like that. But
1, 2, 3, and then 4. Maybe 5 here eventually. Maybe 6. Maybe 6 tornadoes that could happen. That would put us at 197.
that would put us over 200.
No,
Or no, I thought it was over 200. Yeah.
that'd be close. I told you we're gonna get
Yeah.
200 by the end of August. Has Illinois
just
ever
need one more.
gotten 200?
Nope. Texas is the only other state that's done it in 1 year. 3 times it's done it in 1 year, but Texas is the only other state.
Texas
Can't remember what
is the
year, but-
only state that's not
I
gotten
think
over
Texas is the
200.
only one. I think so. Don't quote me on that.
How many states have gotten over 200 tornadoes in 1 year?
Well, that doesn't help.
No, that does not help. But that shows
that's
you
not even
how
right
it's not right.
not
It
even
is not
accurate
200
anyway.
tornadoes, but that shows it's a rough estimate or whatever. But the second place is Mississippi with 83 tornadoes, and we're up at like 191.
Because it said it by mid June of 26.
Yeah.
That's not even right either.
Let's see if this has something here.
I could figure out how to do this later when we're done streaming and all that.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's. I mean, I wouldn't be
Earlville.
surprised.
See that?
Yeah. I feel like that's been there for a little bit though. It's just broad. And it's
Whoa, how did I end?
wouldn't expect a production out of that because there's a storm right there too.
Oh boy, look how it's coming around. You see that?
It's not coming around.
Oh, or is that the original? Is that the anticyclonic?
That's the anticyclonic.
Oh, well, I bet you it's coming down from what it was. So, and that means tornado genesis is probably about to go soon. at least.
Nothing here signals tornado genesis imminent.
Yet. Yeah, it is messy. I'm willing to bet it's gonna be closer up to Grand Ridge if we're being honest. But who knows?
Yeah.
That Earlville one's definitely watch that. I mean, it's gonna. I mean,
Man, I'm tired. We're gonna have 200
I know, right?
tornadoes by the end of August, though. What a year, honestly.
Yeah.
And yet I have. It kind of makes me mad though, because like it was an insane year, and saw one
Right.
fully condensed tornado.
well, you gotta remember a lot of those were like these nighttime, rain wrapped, and all that. But I mean, there were standout events for sure. But I mean, at least we got our hand into it at some point. I definitely want to watch this Earlville one to the south, or the area south of Earlville, because let me see how it's evolved. I don't know. It really hasn't been there. Like it just showed up.
I
See what I mean?
Yeah, I wouldn't count on anything.
Yeah, Streeter one's it's taking time, but who knows? What do you think? Maybe even the one behind it could try. Oh,
I don't know. There's a lot of rain. The environment's getting ruined by all this up here in the front.
yeah. So I don't think anything behind it will do anything. And besides, look at the shower that's coming out of Byron. That's dead.
Yeah.
It's north of the warm front. Well, good cheer. What? What's he saying?
He's talking about the hook echo here.
Yeah, look at that. And the Elgin, the one we were talking about earlier, that's dead.
Yeah.
I mean, look, Streeter has all the telltale signs to just go,
But it's
and
not.
it's not yet. Yawn.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What in the world?
Excuse me. I'm okay.
Ew.
I'm okay. Drink. I was drinking some water and went down the wrong pipe. Oh man.
That is, with the way that storm is looking and the environment it's in, that is scarily close to Streeter,
Yeah.
and it's headed for Dwight. Like,
Ooh. Sorry.
look what Jonas just sent.
Yeah.
It's
Whoa.
bullseyeing. What?
Photograph.
Oh yeah. Look what Jonas. Look what
403
Jonas said.
affected
StormNet
info.
is
I
literally
just saw that.
bullseyeing. So it's only a matter of time whether before that goes. I mean, it's got the look now. It's just velocity hasn't picked up. Can we get an upper level scan, see if the mesocyclone's ramping up in there?
No.
Not really. I mean, if that goes, it's going to be a pretty big tornado producer. And it originally, can we go? Actually, I could do it myself. I'll look on my own radar. I forgot that we're not just using yours. Hmm. It originally didn't have anything behind it. Remember I said earlier, like right when we first started watching this storm,
Right, I didn't have that
it
behind it.
that showed up. So I'm willing to bet it might honestly do what Paw did.
No.
No. What I mean is, it any tornado potential will be killed off once that cluster to the west gets close, like gets all entranced.
It is moving faster.
Something's going off. Hang on. Oh, special marine warning. Oh, you bastard. I hate that. Hate that warning with a passion. I hear that. I honestly hear that more than actual like severe thunderstorm warnings and all that. Then again, half the time there are severe thunderstorm warnings. I ain't here to hear it anyway.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I'm like, why does this look so wrong? Like, but I forgot. I'm all the way at the end of the cycle. We still got this tornado warning. Is that done?
It
Oh,
looks.
there it goes. It's gone.
Okay.
Okay.
No tornado warnings currently.
No tornado warnings currently, but that Streeter one is definitely one to watch.
Oh yes. Very, very.
And shockingly, we got well, you gotta remember the warm front was north of 80, just on 88. Nothing really happens to the north of it.
I mean, we're lucky that nothing fired up here and latched to that boundary. That would have came straight for us.
Mm-hmm. Like, hey, let me look at the mesoscope discussion. Hang on. I want to actually see. It would have headed right for Elburn.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, it would have missed Elburn to the north, but that would have gone right for Miles' house. Who's that? Magnolia cell is also in a good environment, so that cell right behind the Streeter one,
Yep.
That's in a good environment too. Oh yeah, it's got some rotation on it. Oh yeah, what does Streeter look like on ILX? Or is it just a little bit too far?
Not
Messy.
much.
But go to ILX. Okay, go to the. Can you go back some? Wait, why don't I just do this? So I think it's safe to say that the northern part of the Chicagoland north of 88 was spared.
Yeah.
I think it's safe to say, I think it's honestly safe to say that.
Yeah, these storms that were up here are dying off. I don't think there's even going to be really a rain risk at all. Flooding risk. We can take a peek at the new HRRR run. Yeah. After these storms move out and die off, HRRR doesn't fire anything new. Outflow.
Did it just produce an outflow boundary?
It's either outflow boundary or it's getting an RFD. It's a little tail thing on it, but this looks like an outflow.
That looks like an outflow boundary because the outflow, the rear flank would be.
It would be for. It would
more,
be like up here.
Come in. Yeah.
It'd be up here.
Yeah.
Unless this is an inflow tail.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Well, I am tired. I have work tomorrow, and it seems the tornado threat is starting to diminish. We can.
Let's.
Well, I'll stay for a few more scans.
Till 11:30.
No, how about like 11:20?
11:20. That's fine. I just don't want to leave this and then let Streeter go nuts. That's the thing.
Right.
That's like the one thing I fear. And we still also have the Magnolia storm that could also potentially do something.
Magnolia looks pretty messy right now.
Think so? I definitely think that, like I said, Chicagoland Streeters are on the ground.
What? No, I don't. I think.
Is it pulling a Washburn? Wait a minute. Look near Grand Ridge. Two miles south of Kangley, tornado to my northeast. Uh-oh.
Is this a debris
That's
ball?
the guy that reported it. That's the guy that reported it. Uh-oh. There might be a tornado in Streeter right now.
Not again.
Tornado report. There's a tornado report that we just got. It's not showing up here, but I see it on my radar.
Up right here.
There it is. Yeah. Uh-oh.
So this might be.
You're in Streeter.
Oh, hold on. I'm getting a new scan. I'm getting a new scan. Hold on.
Please. Yeah, you see this? See that? Oh yeah, that was an outflow then. That was not an outflow boundary right there. Probably, I bet you it's some inflow tail.
That's what I said.
Yeah, rotation's picking up again.
Hold on, I'm about to get a.
Scan. Or no, I didn't. I got the old scan.
Oh, new scan. Still, it might be a wash burning.
Yeah, it might be Washburn. I'd like
because
to know
there's nothing. There's nothing here.
Yeah. Reed got the Kewanee storm earlier, an hour ago, or he posted it an hour ago. Yeah, let's give that a couple more scans, see what that does.
Yeah. And honestly, it might be this up here.
It said to my northeast.
That is his northeast.
I know. Well, this might be the major CC if it's that northern one. Well, look
Yeah.
look at Grand Ridge.
That's what I.
It's
Yeah,
got to be it. That's not good. I mean, it's got that look on reflectivity, that's for sure.
New scan coming in.
How can you tell? Or is it just you time it?
Just timing.
Oh. Upper level say it's that one right over 23.
Yeah.
So right southeast of Grand Ridge.
North of Streator, south of Grand Ridge.
Slice the gap. That's pretty much where the whole area's been the whole time. Wow. Okay. This should go this should be getting a warning here in a minute.
Yeah. New scan coming in.
Yeah. Yep. There. Let's see how it's wrapping around.
Yeah, it'd be right here.
It's a deep TDS. Tyler says. Big time tornado. Why? It's unwarned. Go to CC, Lucas.
Hold on, I'm waiting for new scan on velocity.
It's really getting its act together as that other cell's trying to nudge it. You're saying it doesn't look like a brief spin up?
Oh
boy.
What in the world?
What?
K-Lot. My thing is broken. There we go. Yeah, I'm getting 135. Loft and debris over 7,000 feet. Is that a vortex hole? That might even be a vortex hole right here.
Wow. And that cell to its west is nudging it. That's why it went.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you it had that look. It just needed to give it some time. That's not good.
No.
Wasn't Amboy like wasn't it going and then they warned it, or was that, or am I just talking?
Yeah, they was warned, or they was going and then they warned it.
Okay, so that's probably. And you already got the report on it. I don't know how you don't have. Then again, they can't really rely on that on the spotter network anymore. So clear that inflow and it's going. Crazy. 70 VROT. Jeez. Did you go in CC yet?
Yeah.
Ooh. That ain't good. And it's still what? It's straight east, right? Straight east. No.
East
Might
northeast.
be east northeast because of that nudge, because of the cell nudging. Magnolia might try. By the way, there it is. Tornado warning. Just got it for Streeter. Radar indicated. Now I'm getting the warning. There it is. That is a small warning box.
Very small warning box.
Moving. By the way, that cell to its west will not kill the tornado.
Why do you say that?
It's only helping it. Huh?
Like as of right now, it's helping it, yeah. But
Yeah.
once it
Even when
smashes
it
into
merges, even when it fully merges. Can we go to the north? Severe thunderstorm warning: Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, and Palatine until midnight. That is not what I wanted to do.
60-mile-an-hour winds, 1-inch hail.
That was the
Moving,
storm that still has some rotation on it. Very, very, very weak. It's very weak and very broad, but it's kind of still there. Will it do anything? No. What? Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. All right, let's just stick with this. This is the only warned storm that we have, so let's just stay here. Needs to clear that inflow. There's still a little bit of blockage of that inflow, but either way, that
it
is
doesn't matter, bro. It's ripping right now.
How many miles? How many miles north of Streeter is that? One,
Debris
2,
ball.
3, 4, about 5 miles north of Streeter. That is not it. They warned it. Look where the velocity is.
Yeah.
It's not even. It's half in it. Either way, that is not a good sign between Grand Rage and Streeter. It is
Yeah,
like
no. These guys are splitting it right
that
now.
is
Scott Kolsterman and Miles Caseman. They're splitting it right now. They're on the north and south part. This guy actually kind of probably needs to get out of there.
which way is it? Can you loop it like the last 2 scans, just to get a general idea of where it's moving? What?
Couldn't tell you.
I don't.
I don't know. I need another
Yeah.
scan. Gonna be getting another one here in a minute.
Yeah, no. That's bad. This is now the only tornado warned storm in the whole state,
Yep.
and it is looking like it could be. It's in a perfect environment for strong tornadoes. It's south of I-80. These are the only storms that I've ever gone through this area.
Here's your sounding.
Yeah, there you go.
Very
Not as
lots of
significant of a
shear.
warm, not as significant as of a warm nose as some
Right.
of the other areas. Then again, the rain kind of cooled it off too. You got to think of it that way. Yeah, that's no bueno. Doesn't look good. Headed
Apparently, there's a
in the general
video on
direction.
Twitter of the Streeter tornado.
I'll look right now because I got Twitter pulled up over here. Did they say who it's by?
No.
Who had the video? No.
New scan
Okay.
coming in. It's getting smashed into by this other storm now. Completely rain wrapped.
Yeah, this is about to be a rain wrapped monster. Oh, there you go.
Yep.
That's really defined.
$62.47.
What is that?
Oh, wait a minute.
20?
$62.35.
Oh, 100. It's just like it's like almost circling.
Yeah.
The tornado, one of the tornadoes that happened near Atkinson a couple hours ago, like during the early part of the stream, it was apparently a grinder tornado, multi-vortex.
Yeah. That's what somebody on Comic
Ooh.
Stream was saying.
Here, I'm gonna put a couple things in the server. That is not what I wanted to put. It's late. Here you go. I don't know if Max Velocity put this on his stream earlier, but big power flash.
Did he wait? What did he just?
What? What?
Max just pronounced Sean.
Oh no.
he
Oh
just
no.
he just pronounced the Schomburg. Schwamberg.
Where do you get a U?
Sure. Did you just ask where you get a U?
Yeah.
In Schaumburg?
Oh.
There's literally a U in the name. But he said Schwamberg.
Swamp. Where? Yeah. Where do you get a U? Huh? I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore.
I don't know.
Clear that inflow. That tornado's still going strong, by the way.
What do you mean it cleared the inflow? The inflow is currently 70
not
mile an
see
hour
it?
winds.
Do you not see it? Did that look?
Where?
Oh wait, you can't. I'm not controlling the damn screen.
What, you think right here? That's not the inflow.
Well, it's going in. Well, it's like a notch in a way. If you think
Okay,
about
but
it.
that's only a notch because this is moving this way and it's catching this part of the
True.
storm. It's just bowing out like
True.
that.
Yeah. You know what other day did that? Good talk. Large cone. Nope, that's Kiwani. Never mind. Still haven't seen anything about a video of tornado and Streeter. The rotation is definitely coming down. So.
Yep. Might be twins.
Really?
Yeah, there might be one here and one here.
Might be a new cycle. Oh. Wrong. What? Yeah, even Jonas is pointing it out, but in the wrong channel.
We're gonna hit 200 tornadoes tonight, bro.
Jonas.
I want to know what made this year so significant for Illinois. Like, why was it Illinois?
Yeah.
I'm
I
sure
know.
Convective Chronicles
Maybe
will
it
make a video about it at the end of the season.
Maybe you knew that you were chasing for the first time.
Yeah, right. Set the bar too high. Next year is gonna be like 3 tornadoes all year. Like, it's just
Okay, I don't
crazy to
even want
think
to know.
how Illinois is approaching 200 tornadoes, only ever done by Texas,
Texas.
which is like the second largest state by landmass, and
Mm-hmm.
that really helps. Really helps they get the tornado count up there, and Illinois is up there at almost 200, and second place is like 80.
Yeah. We are double, more than double of Mississippi, which is in second place. Either way, that new
I'm
I
just
just got news
very
scan.
I'm just very interested to see how and why this occurred like this, and if it's gonna occur again next year.
Yeah, I doubt it, but obviously it won't be the same caliber. But So I've learned that I just read this. The Amboy storm earlier on was riding the warm front,
I see.
and since the warm front kept going north, yeah, it's still in the warm sector, sure, but that was what killed the tornado potential off of that. Had the warm front stayed where it was, it could have easily put down a long track tornado that um, did what like
Right.
Kankakee did. But I will tell you this too: the reason why the tornado, the Amboy tornado, occluded, and the second one, the cycle try and failed, was probably because the tornado was latched onto the warm front and followed it north
Right.
as the warm front kept going to the north. And obviously, the cycle had nothing to latch onto, so it failed, and then everything just started going up, and tornado potential died with that one. That's just what I think. It's probably not true, but it seems like the most plausible um, explanation.
Most of those storms
But
actually
again, we
died
have
off.
uh,
Most of the storms up here died off. Like the Amboy storm has died off.
yeah, the Amboy storm is gone,
Okay, I really am
but
interested to see
this
what
one
in the
is
world is
not.
going on here. Like this is a windbag here, and then you have a tornado going on here. That was a horrible circle. My God.
That was a backward six.
Be quiet.
Yeah, there's that new cut
Is there
area
even
right
two?
to the west of Ransom. I don't think there's two. The original is gone. Original's gone, but I think the one off to the right is probably going to be the new cycle. And then the one to the southwest of that is going to be another cycle, and it's just going to keep going and going and going and going.
I doubt. I think it'll be done after this one.
You think so?
Yeah.
Beautiful. What's his name? Andrew. Beautiful structure and wall cloud near Waynona. Oh boy, that's to the west.
Yeah.
Where's the rotation on that? I don't see the rotation on that one.
That's probably from a while ago.
No, that was as of 3 minutes ago. I don't know, but either way, that severe thunderstorm warning. They just issued it.
Well, yeah, that's 70-mile-an-hour
You can
winds
tell they
there.
issued it 70 mile an hour. Yeah, because it's turning into a windbag on the front side. This is doing. Wait a minute. This is doing what um, last week did, 2 weeks ago, whatever it was.
Yeah.
This is what July 27 almost did, or pretty much did.
Fujiwara.
Fujiwara, yeah, Fujiwara, but the Fujiwara happened during the merging of the two storms. Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning for Streeter, Dwight, Coal City till 12:45. 70 mile an hour winds, tornado possible tag with it, obviously, because um, we obviously just had the strong tornado north of Streeter that still has an area of rotation in it. It's an embedded supercell with this what is now turning into a windbag in pretty much right over Streeter. You can see all the blue on the velocity side of the radar. That is about 70 mile an hour winds with it, which is why they issued the warning. It's flashing because it just got issued, right? Tornado warning for Ransom. They continued this tornado warning.
I see.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you could see where it's at.
I need to go to sleep. I'm very tired.
I know. All right,
I
so
think I feel like this tornado potential is going to die off here within the next
it's gonna die off. It's
20
gonna die off here
minutes
in a minute. But let's
because
just hope.
this windbag is majorly affecting it. I think it's going to have a hard time here in a little bit.
It's cutting off that inflow thing like I was talking about before.
Right.
Because I mean, you could tell it's going in.
I mean, this is a really nice looking
No-
supercell. Like if this little blob was in here, this is what it would look like. It would look like this. That would be it right
Yeah,
there.
that is a perfectly oriented supercell, pretty much.
Yeah. It would have been perfect. Classic supercell.
Let's just hope that thing that wow, that wall cloud that Andrew saw. Hopefully that doesn't produce anything. So this night can be over.
Yeah, I think we need to go to bed though.
Yeah.
So
That's what we get for
I
camping
got
last night, and then you having work in the morning.
yeah, I got work tomorrow. I need to go to sleep. So
You know. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end the stream now. We still have this tornado warning near Ransom, northeast of Streeter. It is slow moving. It is turning into a windbag, damaging wind threat. Tornado possible tag with the severe thunderstorm warning till 12:45 for Streeter, Dwight, Gardner, uh, just all those
Reddick,
towns right there.
Campus, Emmington, Odell,
Solomon,
north of Pontiac.
North Pontiac, Cornell, Ransom. It is turning into a wind threat. That I don't know if that velocity just picked up or what, but I got a new scan at 11:35. Oh wait, no, ours is at the same. There it is.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey.
I don't know, but I can't keep watching this. I need to go to sleep, dude.
I know, I get it. So
if you know anybody in this
definitely
general area, heading towards Gardner, Braidwood, Kankakee, in this general area here, I'll even draw out a little circle here, this area, within the next hour, just tell them to keep an eye out. Possible tornado on the ground. For sure, some damaging winds. Probably going to be the main concern as it moves on because tornado potential is probably going to fall off.
yeah, it is definitely the tornado potential is starting to come down with the way that storm is oriented. But our time here is done. At least we have other people like Max Velocity and all that are streaming still. So let you guys. We'll end the stream and let everyone that's watching tune into that because obviously we have no more time.
Right.
But that's it for this stream. Hopefully there might be a chance we go out chasing tomorrow and Tuesday. We'll see about that, but I'm not sure if we'll stream either day. It just all depends on how everything goes. So that's it for the stream for now. Lucas, I'll let you end it.
So thank you all for watching. Hopefully get either a stream tomorrow or Tuesday, or at least just some good footage and stuff. But it is going to be kind of difficult because I am working both days. So we'll have to work around that. And then I start school on Wednesday. So we'll see how this goes. But we appreciate you guys watching.
Start school and I don't.
Yeah. Because this kid's not going to college.
Hey!
We appreciate you guys watching. And we'll see you guys whenever the next time is.